Guys, today we have one goal and one goal only. Find every anomaly at school within 30 days. And that's all there really is to it, guys. This is our classroom, and we're gonna have to study every single person in here. Like, for example, I see that each one of these rows has 2 people, except this one and that one in the back. Our teacher's up there at the front writing something. I don't think she cares about us. We also got some red signs up there. And look at that clock. It's 3:30. Remember. Let's see. We got a projector above us. Some fans. Okay, we have 4 fans. Looks like we have about 6 lights. This girl behind me is drawing triangles on her paper. Your hand looks like a foot. We have a big red sign behind us, and then 3 large windows with a bunch of posters in between. So guys, the way that these games work is pretty simple. If we see an anomaly, then we have to note it down on this paper. I think it says 0 here because there's no anomalies on the first day. And then as you saw on the whiteboard, if that goes down to 29, then that means we're doing good. So since there's no anomalies on the first day, I'm gonna memorize as much as humanly possible. There's also a camera up there and then a large projector. I need to remember that door. If that door starts acting funny, I need to make sure. Okay, we got the 3 windows. That one has its blinds like halfway down, which is kind of weird. Also, we're on some sort of red floor. And I got this girl next to me. Don't worry, I'm not cheating on your test. Maybe I am. Okay, that desk is completely empty, so keep track of that as well. I think the hardest part of this might be tracking all the students. It looks like there's 3 missing in this row and then 2 missing back there. You know what? We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna move forward with it. So there we go. Day 1 complete. And now it should say 29. Yes. We love it. And if I can make it all 30 days, I'll be very happy. So now we need to look for any differences. Like a bird. So I'm pretty sure that's an anomaly, right? I'm 100% sure there was no bird there before. And look at him barking over there. Yeah, buddy. All right. Well, we got 1 anomaly, which means we press 1 right here. And that should allow us to get to day 28, if I'm correct. Yes, I love it. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't think all the anomalies are gonna be that obvious. That bird was low-key kind of lucky because I am not seeing any anomaly on this stage just yet. Okay, let me just make sure we got all the lights, all the fans. Yes, the projector's still up there. Halfway blinds, 2 posters. Anyone missing? No. Hey, Jessica, I'm not cheating on your paper, I swear. Teacher is still up there writing notes on her stuff. It's still 3:30. I'm not seeing anything. Okay, so I think we're just gonna go ahead and mark down 0 here. I hope that's right. Please? Yes! Day 27. Okay, so whenever there's not an anomaly, that actually freaks me out a lot more in these games because I always feel like I'm missing something. And even today, I feel like I'm missing something. Guys, does something feel off to you? Was that paper on the teacher's desk always there? That small one? Nah, I'm gonna say yes. Was there always 2 students missing from that desk? And that one? No, I don't think so. I think everything's normal again, bro. Wait a second. Hey, my test looks different from yours, Jessica. Did you swap my papers out? This is not my exam. Since when did I have bar graphs on here, buddy? That's gotta be the anomaly, right? Right? My tests look different, I swear, guys. I knew it. Okay, day 26. I thought I was going crazy for a second. But no, we were just looking at the wrong stuff, guys. That's how you know you have to keep track of literally everything in here. Like, when was that poster there? Anyone in the windows? No. Jessica's still doing her work. Good job, girl. Okay, guys, I gotta be honest. I'm really not seeing anything. If there's a difference here, I will be very surprised. So, you know what? We're gonna say there's no anomalies. Please? Yes. Okay, 25 days. Let's see. Anything weird going on around here? I gotta do like my usual scan of the ceiling, make sure that's all good. Girly, you're not supposed to dye your hair, okay? Wait, why is this girl looking up? Wait, is that 2 anomalies or am I tripping? Wait, what? Oh, we can pick 2 anomalies here. Okay, well, I'm seeing a girl looking up at the teacher and a blonde girl. So, wow, we have 2 anomalies at once. Let's go ahead and lock that in. Right? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna have to keep track of a lot here, guys. You are looking down again. Good. You got regular hair again. Not saying people with blonde hair is irregular. Okay. But now we know that we can see multiple anomalies at once. And I'm not gonna lie, this time around, Jessica, I'm not seeing much. I'm not seeing any anomalies. This game's freaking me out. I'm gonna say 0 again. Oh, day 23. Wait, what am I hearing? I'm hearing something outside. Is that a bird? I swear, I've heard that sound ever since I was a kid. I hope that doesn't kill me while I'm looking. Okay, so that's 1 anomaly. We keep that in mind. Any other anomalies? Show yourself. No, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm only seeing one. Or hearing one, so you know what? I'm picking that. Please be correct. Please? Yes. All right. What the heck happened to our teacher? Where'd you go? You done teaching the class? You don't like us anymore? All right. Well, that's an anomaly. Ah! What? I didn't do anything wrong, teacher. I'm just looking for anomalies. Anyone ever tell you how attractive you are? She does not like me. All right, let me just look for the rest of the anomalies, teacher. That poster is different. They're supposed to be the exact same. Why is that one smaller? Buddy, we got the cash version over here, the shorter one. That was not funny. I'm not actually short, guys. Okay, teacher. I'm gonna... Wait, my test is different. Wait. So, are those not the same? Okay, I must be tweaking, guys. Our test was different and the teacher was looking at me. There we go. Oh, so that poster really is shorter. Wow, what a crazy optical illusion. All right, lock in, Cash. Obviously, I'm a little stupid. I'm sure you guys could... Hi. Yeah, okay, you're a little freaky. A little more freaky than my teacher, but let me look for a second anomaly, because I'm not... We can have 3 anomalies at once now? You've got to be farting me, bro. All right. Man, what the heck? Since when were you naked? How am I just now seeing that? Well, all right. We got anomaly number 2. All right. Is there a third one by any chance? Give me a third one. Guys, if the text on that banner ever changes, I'm not going to understand. I don't know Chinese, so I would not be able to tell. All right. Well, everything else seems to look normal, so I'm going to say there's only 2 anomalies. Is anyone wearing different pants today? You are. All right, let's just choose 2. There better not have been 3. Yes. All right. You got clothes on? Good. Wait a second. I hear a train. Is there a train out there? Where is it? Train? Come on through, buddy. You got clearance. I knew it. Ha. All right. Well, we got a train. Anything else? Fans are good. Yup. Go on ahead, train. I already got you marked down, buddy. Everyone else looks pretty normal to me. So, Jessica, if that's okay, I'm just going to choose 1. Because I only heard a train. Yes. Number 19, guys. We're doing good. Okay, I already hear the bird outside. I think that's a bird at least. Let's check all the humans. Okay. Good. No one's looking off yet. Okay, well, I'm only seeing 1. I'm only hearing 1. If this is wrong, tickle my buns. All right. Why did I say that? I don't know. Yes. Day number 18. Man, the teacher's gone again. Where are you at, huh? Behind me? Teacher. Again? Man, put some clothes on. What the heck are you looking at? Okay, well, there's 3 anomalies right there. We got no teacher, we got naked student, and we got student looking up. All right, there we go. 3 anomalies. Progress. I love it. All right, I feel like what the heck? Is the sun shining in weird spots? What? Where are those sunspots coming from? Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, that's a little weird. For some reason, the sun seems to be shining in different directions. You still got your clothes on, right? All right, good. Guys, I think that's the only anomaly I'm seeing, though. I think it's just that sunspot that keeps moving for some reason, so... Oh, and my exam. Okay, so that's 2, I think? I didn't check Jessica, did I? No, what did I miss? Okay, well, we're back on day 18. That girl's got blonde hair, and I have a different exam. Let's see if we're correct. If I keep going down, this is gonna end up bad. Okay, back on day 17. This time around, I'm hearing, like, kitchen sounds. I'm not seeing anything, but I am hearing something. But now the sound is gone, which makes me think that it's not actually an anomaly. There's a fly in here. Okay, this could be totally wrong, and I might go back another day, but I'm saying 0. Yes, okay, we were right. Thank goodness. I knew I wasn't going crazy. Hey, what y'all doing back there? Fighting, are we? Okay, we got some kids fighting. I'm also hearing a clock. What is that? Eh! Bird? Okay. Hey! Who coughing on me? Jessica, ew. Okay, we got a bird, a cough, and fights. That's 3, right? Has to be. Evening. Wait, what do you mean evening? Okay. Well, Martin, it is now nighttime. Jessica, that's kind of funny. I gotta tell on you. We got a sticky note on this girl's back. Teacher's looking straight up. I don't know if that's an anomaly or not. I'm guessing that's abnormal, right? Because it's nighttime. I don't... What the heck? Oh, heck no, man. All right, well, we got hands, a sticky note, and the teacher's looking up, which I don't think is normal. I think that's an anomaly. I'm gonna say 3. Please don't tell me the teacher always looks up at night. Oh, yes. All right, hands be gone. Thank you. All right, we got 14 days left. Jessica? No sticky note. Interesting. No one's outside, and no one's looking up at the teacher. Back wall still looks good, buddy. I mean, yeah, there's literally no anomalies in here. Unless I'm missing something. I'm gonna say there's no anomalies, man. I mean, I'm literally not seeing a single thing, so... Oh, yes. Why the heck is it flooding up in here? All right, that's not normal. That's an anomaly. What else we got, huh? Any other anomalies want to show themselves? So we got a flood and nothing else. I don't believe that. Time is 8:30. I don't know. I'm guessing that always stays the same. I haven't looked at these posters too much. I feel like I should definitely pay attention to that. Yeah, realistically, all I'm seeing is just the flood water, and that's it. So I'm choosing 1 for this round. I'm so, like, unsure. Oh, day 12. Okay, perfect. We're doing it. The teacher's gone again. Is she behind me? Oh, she is. What you doing, Are y'all seeing that? Man, tell me why the heck there's a ghost here, and why are you looking at me? What you looking at? Okay, there's 3 anomalies. Teacher, ghost, girl looking up at me, trying to give me a kiss. I'm sorry. All right. A teacher's looking at... Man, what the heck is crawling around the classroom? Buddy, did somebody's wig fall off? Okay, really? So we got the teacher looking up. We got a crawling wig. What about number 3? We got number 3. Any number 3s? Is that thing gonna kill me? That thing is gonna kill me if I don't decide soon. Third anomaly. Should I just say 2 and not risk it for the biscuit? I'm gonna say 2 and not risk it for the biscuit. It was crawling right next to me. I had to. Oh, yes, okay. 10 days left. There was only 2 anomalies. This game's getting creepier, man. Jessica, hug me. Okay, windows, posters are good. Teacher's back to work, good. Camera, yes. Chalkboard, great. 8:30, perfect. You fart? Dude, I hate when there's no anomalies. I feel like I'm going crazy, but I'm literally seeing nothing. I'm seeing nothing. I have to choose 0, right? Yes, there was nothing. And now there's a flood. Again, easy. That's 1 anomaly. Oh, girly pop looking up at me. Girl, what you looking at? You like what you see, huh? I'm sorry. All right, and there's also a wig here again. Low-key, the wig's kind of chill. I kind of mess with his vibe, so. That's an easy 3 anomalies. Progress again. What? Who's walking out there? Okay, well, that's 2 anomalies, and also there's a bunch of ash in the air. It's getting in my lungs. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty easy. Girl, ash, and broken windows. That's another easy 3. Easy dub. 7 days left. Lock in, Cash. Things are getting weird, but just remember who's the weird one in this class. It's me. It's always gonna be me. You wanna look up at me, girl? No? All right. Everything at the front looks good. I'm just taking like a mental image of everything. Left side looks about right. Back side looks about right. Yeah, no, I think it's all good. As long as that girl's got her clothes on, it's 0. This is so weird. You can't just go from 3 anomalies to 0, bro. Okay, 6 days. We have ash again. That's 1. Note. That's 2. Oh, and the clock. Finally, I knew the clock was going to show something, buddy. That's 3 anomalies. I love it. I heard something as well. Jessica, did you fart? What? Oh, it's the light. Interesting. Okay, well, the light's flickering. It seems like it's just the light. I don't think anyone else here is being weird. So I think I'm just going to lock that in, guys. All right, Teach. The light's broken. You got to fix it, buddy. Ahaha. 4 days. Okay, I heard a phone. Who's calling my phone? Oh, clock's also moving weird. Okay, that's 2. We got the phone, the clock, sticky note, bang. Hello? There's nobody there. All right, 3 days left. No teacher, flood, and 1 more. Give me 1 more. Give me 1 more. Ah ha 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 ha. Mr. Ghosty Poo, you can't troll me. I am the prankster around here. And that's 3 anomalies. All right. 2 days left, guys. I'm already hearing a cricket. We're noting that down. Help me lock in. Girls got feet, hands. That's not an anomaly. Note that down. Clock's normal. Teacher's normal. Everything's normal. No, this can't be. There's got to be more to this. I'm gonna... That's 1. That's 1 anomaly. Oh, yes, bloody. 1 day left. And this is probably going to be the hardest one yet. I swear. They're just going to put the most hidden anomalies of all time in here. So let's look a little closely. Jessica, you look good. As usual, girl, slay. Girls behind me, not looking at me weird, right? Good. All right. No ghosty poo, no flood, no teacher. Teacher's still at the front, writing on her notebook. Posters there look the same. Windows and posters here look the same. Okay, if there's an anomaly, it is insanely well hidden. Test is still the same as well. Hey, yo, teacher, you gonna have to give me your number because I'm about to win the game. Ahaha. Unless I lose right here, then I would lose a lot of aura. Yeah! Congrats, grad. That is not my name. Aw, everyone left. Wait, what? Hello? Oh, is this for me? A celebration? Please tell me the teacher comes in here and gives me her number. I'm sorry. Well, that's beautiful. Oh, here we go. Congrats, grad. Still not my name. School year's never gonna end. Yep, at least I passed the exam, though. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Today, we played a scary game called Pacify. When you spawn in, it's a small map with a house, a barn, and a backyard. And there's also a possessed farmer trying to chase us down and kill us. The only way we can win is if we collect enough chickens and then poison them to feed it to the farmer. Once we poison all those chickens and finally kill it, we have to finally wheel it back to the van, and then we complete the game. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, team, can you see me? I'm this guy right here. I'm jumping.
Yes, you're a lady.
Oh, I'm a lady.
Yeah. What am I? I'm going back and forth right here.
You are a female with a buzz cut.
That's a man, Mia.
That's a female.
Oh, maybe it is.
Yeah, that is a girl.
Nico, you got a military cut.
I know, that's because I'm gonna lead you guys today, alright, sergeants?
Yes, sir.
So are you leading us or what?
Yeah, I am. Alright, so, this is a farm, and all we have to do is go, oh no, what is that?
Nah, you don't even know where we're going, do you?
Guys, I don't know how to play this game. This is the first time I've played this before.
Oh, don't worry. He'll figure it out.
Yo, I am taller than all y'all.
Yeah, he's gonna figure it out. Dude, I'm the tallest one here.
What do you mean I'm gonna figure it out?
We're in a farmhouse.
What was that?
Don't worry about what that was.
It's the piano.
I just touched the piano, dude. That was loud.
Just get to know this house really well, because you're going to need to find ways to escape.
What I would tell you guys is you need to equip a skillet. You need the skillet. And you know Shady with the skillet is dangerous.
I'm looking in the backyard. Okay, wait. He's about to come out of the barn.
What are you talking about, guys? Guys!
Everyone get a skillet. Everyone get a skillet.
All right, I'm going to get my skillet.
Okay, how do I pick it up? How do I hold it?
It's okay. It's just in your inventory. You don't need to worry about that.
Don't go into the barn. She's gone. The kids are gone.
Don't read that.
Why?
I'm going to use myself as bait and trap her in the barn.
Okay, I think he's about to come out.
There's something in the attic. Oh my god.
What do you mean there's something in the attic?
Okay, do I have a skillet in my hand? Please tell me I got a skillet in my hand.
Yes, you do. Don't worry.
Mia, is this you?
I'm right here.
I don't feel safe with Cash and Shady.
Yo, he keeps shaking the door open.
I have some bolt cutters. Should I open it up?
Yeah, open up the barn. I'll watch from up here.
Okay. I gotta do it by myself? What's wrong with y'all?
All right, I'll come with you. I'm scared.
Dude, we're only a few minutes in and this is terrifying.
Buddy, are you in there? Hello? Look at Nico and Mia. They're being babies. All right, I'm opening it.
I'm reading.
Hello? Oh, he's not even there. We're good.
Is it gonna be behind me?
No, we're good. Just come down here, Nico. We just gotta check out the barn.
What do you mean go inside?
Just come out, bro. Just go check out the barn.
Dude, I don't wanna do.
Oh my god.
Oh, what is that?
Just go check out the barn, bro.
Oh my, it's working!
Just go check out the barn, bro.
Nico just got attacked.
Dude, that thing is so fast.
Dude, he's growling at me. Okay, what do? We need to get the chickens, right?
Yeah, but let me give you guys a rundown. Come here.
How is this game any fair, bro? I had no time to react.
Bro, I need the bolt cutters.
I have bolt cutters. I'm coming.
Is it because I was moving?
Maybe.
All right, I'm gonna clip this thing open.
All right, do it. We might have to get out of here.
Okay, so basically what we have to do is we need to grab bags of poison, fill up the little water trough.
Oh my. Dude, from my POV, that was insane.
Guys, we need to poison chickens and make them eat it. Got it? We got our poison bags. Oh my god, I see him. I see him out there.
All right, I just whacked a chicken.
I'm a goner. So how do I respawn?
Where are you dead at? We have to bring you to the revive point.
Nah, just killed a chicken.
I died at the top balcony.
Oh my god, the big daddy is there.
What do you mean? Where?
Dude, he's so fast. How are you supposed to dodge that thing?
You're good. You'll figure it out.
You just gotta turn off your flashlight, right? Wait, am I alive?
I think we need to revive you.
Oh, is it you guys right here? Okay, follow me. Watch. Okay, so there's a little revive point. You just gotta walk to it. It's this windmill right here.
Oh, you better not be taking me to my doom, dude.
Oh my god, he's on the way. He's on the way.
It's okay. It's okay. He's not coming toward us.
Okay, do you turn off your flashlights?
Are you sure he's not coming towards us?
Yeah, we're good. Look, he's going that way. So just make your way into the lighthouse. And I think I'm going to test something real quick. Y'all go in there first, and then I'm going to see if it still works.
Okay, you know, I'm already a goner, so might as well.
Okay, so why is the big daddy coming over here? Okay, I don't think he can come far in here, though. Yeah, he's leaving. Okay.
Well, okay, we're in here. What now?
Okay, I actually have to be in there. Okay, so I picked up this stone that looks like this statue, and that's what heals you guys.
Oh. Oh.
So I'll probably drop it when I die. And when that happens, then we all need to make sure like we grab it, because that's how we revive each other.
We're good now. Okay. How do I make sure not to die to this guy this time?
Just keep your distance. If you see him, just try and move out of the way.
Can we not leave the revive stone in front right there?
I can't drop it.
Okay, he's all the way over there, so we gotta dodge him.
Okay, and now come over here. Do you have a poison bag, Cash?
I have a chicken.
Okay, so you see this thing right here? We basically flick this lever and water's gonna spill out, and then we need to put the poison bag in it, and then we'll drop the chickens in, and then we'll just leave it for him, and then he'll eat it.
So we just need to get poison bags. It's from that side house that we just unlocked.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and make my way back over there.
Yeah, me too. Oh my god.
Can't we just go through the barn?
We might be able to.
You could, but it would be way longer. Here, someone come with me and someone take my chicken.
Oh gosh, I think I see him. Wait, where is he?
Yeah, I wouldn't go in the house. He's in the house.
Oh my gosh, he's coming. Mia.
Run!
You guys should not be going into the barn. That's asking for death.
I dropped a chicken here. Someone pick it up.
Okay, I'll pick it up.
Just let them take the chickens.
Okay, and then Nico, come grab a poison bag.
Okay. Poison bag acquired.
All right, and now let's go back to the little water area.
He's coming. He's there. He's right there. He's right there.
Actually, no, he's leaving. He's leaving.
Oh, I see him just barely.
Dude, he is freaking out.
Yeah, true. Oh, he's coming this way.
Did you guys already get jump scared?
Yeah.
I did not.
Just keep your distance. And by the way, when he gets poisoned, he gets so fast that you could be on the other side of the map and he'll get to you in 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone come over here. Hurry.
Okay, how is this game balanced?
You just gotta outplay him. All right, hurry. Put the poison in there.
How do I put the poison in there? Oh, there we go, I did it.
All right, and now we put our chicken in. Now I've got a poison chicken.
Now we run?
He might come out from the side.
I think we can just leave it here.
Yeah, where is this dude?
I'm gonna leave my poison bag right here.
I'm just leaving the poison chicken on the ground. I think he'll come eat it.
Should I just collect more poison bags and bring them there so we have them ready?
Yeah, it'd probably be good. Okay, he's coming out from the barn. Let's see if he eats it.
Okay, yeah, we had the bait set out for him.
Is he going to eat it? Yo, he's eating it.
Oh my gosh, yo, he's getting fast.
Oh, we just poisoned him. All right, we need to do that over and over again.
Now he's gonna get angry. Also, do you guys see me? Where are you at?
Okay, I'm getting out of poison.
We're in the poison area.
I got another poison as well. Where you at, Shady?
Okay, he's getting really fast. Be careful.
Where's he at?
He's eating the second chicken.
Okay, good. There's chickens here, Nico. We can smack them.
By the way, I think having like a poison chicken in your inventory is good because if he walks up to you, I think he'll take the chicken first.
How do I get the chickens?
You have to drop your bag. Press middle mouse.
We don't have skillets.
Oh, you don't have skillets.
The skillets are in the kitchen.
Oh, nah, bro. I'm not going back there.
Oh my gosh. It's okay. We go together. We got this. I got this.
All right. To drop stuff, you need to press middle mouse button.
Oh, no, he's going inside the house.
Come back to the back of the house.
Oh, he's in the house, dude. We need the skillet.
Just go through the barn. Oh, wait. There's no entrance here. Never mind.
He's charging on someone.
Who? It's not me, I don't think.
He's aggravated on someone.
On you.
On who?
Someone's about to die.
Oh, he's going back in the barn.
Oh, no, he's in the barn. We gotta go and get the skillet.
I'm going all the way around. I already have my skillet, so good luck in there.
In the kitchen, right?
Yeah, we gotta do it fast.
Ours are on the porch. Let's go to the porch.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's angry. It's in the house.
What do you mean it's in the house?
You see me up here? Look at the spot. This is a good spot. You just have to jump off the stairs.
Okay, wait. I need to catch a chicken first, right?
Yeah, you'll have to hit one for me as well.
Okay, wait 1 sec. Let me get one real quick.
Where's he at right now?
I'm not sure. I don't hear him.
And then hit another one.
I'm gonna try and sneak by. Oh my god, he's right there. Dude, he's right there.
Where is he?
He's next to Shady right now.
It's in the house.
Okay.
He's going into the barn, Nico. Going into the barn.
We can't go that way.
I would advise you to not go in the barn. Not a good place to be, bro. He always in now.
We gotta go around.
Why do I hear him?
Because he's in the house. He's about to walk out right here.
What happened?
He just glitched through the wall on me, bro.
He killed you?
Yeah, he killed me.
Okay, we need to go get that stone from his body.
Wait, look, he's stuck up there on the patio.
Are you sure he's stuck?
Okay, now he got unstuck. Okay, someone needs to make the jump off the patio and land on that little roof and grab it.
He's on the way. Run.
We can go around actually now.
Oh, we can?
Wait, where is he? No, he's at the back of the house still, I think.
He's still coming for us. He's on the side house.
There's gotta be a way to get through around, right?
So you just have to get close to him. Not super close, but just close enough to where you can get past him.
Okay.
Just keep your distance.
I don't think we can go around, by the way. I think there's only one way to the back. Let's go through the house.
Either go through the house or through the barn or the other way.
Where is he, Shady?
He's walking into the barn, not from the house, but on the other side.
How do I get out of this?
Okay, just go up to the second floor.
Okay.
And then you'll see the upstairs patio. Go out there.
Oh, skillet on the ground.
Okay, now look to your left and try and make that jump onto that little roof. You gotta kind of like curve around.
Oh yeah, I think Cash got it. Wait.
I can get it. Wait. Yeah, there we go. I got it.
There you go. Now grab those items.
All right. I have the stone and the stone cutter and the chain cutters.
Why do I feel shorter than Mia? Oh, it's because I'm holding the chicken.
I need him to get away from me so I can make it to there. I have the revive stone for Shady, but he's going to camp me out.
Okay, he's leaving. You guys can go now. Go now. Have you guys poisoned any more chickens?
No.
No, but he's at the poison area right now.
All right. It's time to revive Shady. Here you go, sir. All right. Remember, if I die, I'm the one with the stone.
Get me up there. All right, I gotta go get my skillet.
All right. He's revived. Let's go.
I am alive.
I think I saw him go towards the house, but I could be wrong.
Oh, no.
Should we poison some chickens? I know you have a chicken and I have poison.
I'm pretty sure he's in the house.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that was the dude.
I'm gonna go get another chicken for us. Oh, I see chickens out here.
It just depends on how many you can drop in the trough at once.
Where is he right now?
I don't know where he is, but I'm scared.
If I had to guess, he's probably in the barn.
All right, killed another chicken. Yo, is he coming for me? He better not be coming for me.
Okay, she'll regain her health because she's eating regular chickens.
He's going in the house.
That's a girl?
Yeah, it's a girl.
So we need to be faster with the chickens?
Yeah, basically.
I'm on my way with the chicken. Yo, where's he at right now?
Oh no, we better hurry before he comes out of this barn.
All right, I got my chicken. I'm ready. Oh my God, he's right there.
Splash it in there. Splash it in there.
How do I do it? Just drop it? Okay, boom. Done. Where do I put it?
Now you just leave it on the floor for him.
Yeah, okay. I'm leaving one right there. We gotta just keep doing that.
Yeah, true. I'll leave one right next to it. Boom. Now, where are you at?
Yeah, you're going towards him over there. He's over there at the storage.
Oh, he's right there. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I have a poison bag.
You have a poison bag? Okay, Nico and Cash, come to the front yard and get a chicken with me.
He's by us. Where do we go?
No, yeah, he's by us right now, so it's difficult. He's eating. He's eating.
Can we run past him while he's eating?
Might go through the barn, yeah.
All right, I'm running. Yo, that chicken is growling and stuff. Gross. All right, I just ran past him.
He's gone.
All right, come out the front door. Okay, is this a chicken? Can you grab that?
Yeah, die. Got a chicken?
I'm going through the front door.
Okay, Nico, come grab another chicken.
Okay, I'm coming.
There's a poison bag right here.
Should I grab it? Or no, I'll grab the chicken. Mia, want to grab the poison bag?
I have poison. I have poison.
Oh, Mia has a poison bag. We're good. Let's go.
All right, so we got 3 chickens in a poison bag?
Yep, I think he ate both of the poison chickens, by the way.
I think it's in the back of the house, by the way.
In the back of the house?
Backyard.
We're good. Come through with me.
All right.
Okay, never mind. Go back. Go back.
Oh, never mind. He's right there. He's right there.
Run, run.
Oh, I don't like that.
I really don't like that.
Did he go into the barn?
Oh, he's coming out the front of the house.
What is he eating? Is he eating a regular chicken? Or is he just standing there?
All right, I'm bringing my chicken to the tub.
Yeah, we can do this easy now.
Okay, I'll be a little late.
All right, one of us should keep our poison chicken in an emergency, but we should leave 2 out for him.
So we turn on the water and then I poison it.
Turn on the water and poison it.
Yeah, poison the water.
Okay, I'm poisoned.
Thank you. And now chickens. Come on, chicken. Get in there.
He's coming around the house right now.
Should I keep my poison chicken on me?
I'm not sure. I don't want to say for certain. I'm just saying that might be the case. He might like take it off of you, like if you don't drop it. All right, he's coming through the house right now. Let's just leave our chickens right here at the step.
All right, and now I'm going to get another chicken immediately.
Okay, never mind. He's going through the barn. I'm gonna put my chicken there.
Put my chicken right here. All right, I'm gonna get more chickens.
I'll grab a poison bag because I just don't have my skillet.
Where are the chickens?
Look at all those chickens. Okay, he's eating one of them.
Aha, there's one. All right, got another chicken.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go grab another chicken too.
Oh, there's one right here in front of the house.
Okay, I need a chicken.
Yeah, just search the corners. Sometimes be hiding. Look at all those chickens.
Oh, there's one in front of the house over here next to the tree.
Okay.
Kill that thing.
Okay, I'm about to get it.
All right, ready? Gotta make our way back. I'm gonna walk into the house, see if he's here.
Okay, I'm walking around the house right now.
I don't hear him.
Oh, he's in the backyard. He's in the backyard. Yo, 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 yo.
He's coming in. Leave, leave, leave.
No, he's coming for me. He's not in the house. He's not in the house.
Oh, he left. Yeah, what the heck?
Yeah, he's going to the side house. We got time.
Run, 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 run. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh, it's already coming back. Run, 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 run. Turn on the water.
Yeah, fill it up, fill it up. Okay, I turn it on.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Go, 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 go.
Poison, poison.
I got a chicken.
All right, it's right here. I'm dropping it.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop mine right here.
All right, I'm dropping this one. I'm dropping right here.
Yo, he is so quick.
It's just gonna get even faster as time goes on.
Where is he?
Now we just wait. He's in the house somewhere.
Mr. Ghosty Poo.
Ghosty buddy, where are you?
Ghosty pal.
Let's make some noise. I'll hit Shady's skull with my skillet.
Wart. I already have brain damage.
Oh, he's coming out front. Oh, yeah, he's gonna eat them. He's gonna eat them for sure.
Oh yeah.
Then what do we do?
Then we go get more chickens. Buddy, come on. Oh my God, he is so fast.
Oh my, okay, I'm going through the barn.
I'm making a run for it.
Okay, I'm gonna be in the front. I'm going through the front. This is the best way.
We just need to get more chickens and more bags.
And I'm about to get it.
I hear a chicken, but I don't see it. Where you at, chicken?
I need a bag. Here we go.
Okay, we have 2 chickens right now. Now we just gotta wait for a third one.
Where is it at?
Dude, he's about to come just storming out of the house or something. I'm keeping my distance, bro.
Oh, chicken on me. Chicken on me.
Chicken right there.
Give me that thing. Boom, dead. All right, got my chicken.
All right, let's see how the long way's looking.
Yo.
Dude, we're about to see him.
We should have kept one of the chickens on us just in case of emergency. Can we not hide in the revive area? Oh, he's right there. He's going into the house right now. Just go, go, go. All right, poison it.
Poison it, poison it, poison it.
Poison.
Yes. Okay, I got mine too.
Okay.
Got 3 chickens.
Should I keep this one on me?
I don't know. It's worth a shot.
I feel like it's kind of slow, but you could try.
What do we do? How do we kill him?
You gotta poison him enough.
We just gotta keep feeding him chickens, and then he'll. Oh gosh.
Oh, he's on the way. Drop a chicken.
Oh gosh. Okay, 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 okay. Put it down, blaze it down, blaze it down.
Oh my god.
All right, should I keep my second chicken?
Yo, y'all should get away from that.
I'm leaving. I'm going through the house.
I'm going through the barn.
I went the wrong way in the barn, Nico. Oh my gosh.
I didn't even step foot in the barn. That's terrifying.
Oh, I see him. Okay, wait. Yo, Mia, just get out the front door.
I have a poison chicken for emergency. There's one right there. Kill it.
Yeah, no, I got it. I got it.
Where's the poison?
There's another chicken on me right here.
Wait, just smack it.
I have no poison.
All right, just stay behind me.
You have a bag of poison, Mia?
No, I can't find one.
It's in the side house.
Oh, you have a poison chicken?
No, I have nothing.
Oh, I have nothing?
Yeah, the side house is actually easy to get the poison bags.
Yeah, just go into the side house and get a bag.
Okay.
I don't think he's there yet.
If you see him coming towards us, let me know. I'll drop it.
Long way. He's out front.
Oh, he's right there. He just came out the front door. Just run around.
Oh, he's really slow right now.
Okay. Uh-oh. Sigma.
What was that? Oh, he's probably gonna be really fast.
He died!
He died?
He died?
We won!
No way we're that goated, right?
We're that goated. Now we just bring this wheelbarrow and put her in there.
Let's go.
Oh, easy. Yeah, like, what's up, danger?
All right, into the wheelbarrow you go. Look at this thing.
Ew.
Oh, he's a green little monster.
A little nasty thing.
Nasty looking thing.
I still don't understand how that's a girl.
Yeah, me neither.
We are very excited that you were able to catch her. This is the first time we have encountered this type of spirit. She has been taken over by an entity with an insatiable desire for food. As long as we keep her well fed, she seems happy.
Why would you want to keep that alive?
I have no idea.
Be ready for your next mission. We will contact you soon with the details.
Gross.
Ew.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I've played my fair share of gas station horror games recently, but none of them have had doppelgangers entering the building every 5 seconds. This game's called Shift at Midnight, and it's kind of like That's Not My Neighbor, but there's gonna be doppelgangers entering this place, and we have to make sure none of them actually get through. Objective: head inside. This game's apparently terrifying, but I'm really excited to see what it's like. Okay, hello, this is my station. Oh, head to the break room. I don't know why there's an exclamation point here, but the break room looks like it's, is it back here? Okay, lock in. This is about to be terrifying. I'm not gonna lie. Is this the... This is not a break room. What is this? Why is there... Martin? What is that? I think I entered the wrong room. Let me actually go back another way. Ooh. Wait, actually, there's tokens. Use this to buy cola at the vending machine. Okay. What happens if I ring this? I have no idea. Okay, sorry. Just trying to figure it all out. I don't know why that door opened. I think it's motion sensed. Hello? Okay, it is. If that thing opens and nobody's there, I'm running straight to the back. Okay, I'll use the vending machine later. I just kind of want to go to the break room first. Now, is this it? Ah, it is. Yes. Objective: check the notice board for instructions. Where's that? Ah, here it is. Okay, I have 5 tokens. I don't think I'm going to buy a cola yet, unless I really need one. Employee to-do list. Get a drink at the vending machine. Use trash bags to throw out the limbs in storage room? What? Mop the blood. Restock the incomplete shelf with boxes. Okay, vending machine, throw out the body parts, mop the blood, and restock the incomplete shelf. What is this? Midnight news. Doppelgangers continue to ravage America throughout the night. Doppelganger sightings increase. Experts advise checking ID and personal details when interacting with strangers. What gas station has to check your ID? That makes no sense. Are the doppelgangers really that bad? I gotta check everybody that comes in, and today's quota is $50. So I have to make $50 to actually win this? Okay, well that makes sense. I guess the first thing I should do is probably just buy one of the colas, right? Throw to lure enemies into traps. So I'm not even drinking this. I'm just throwing it. What if I throw this one? Ah, that was a bad idea. I just broke my... Okay, well, it's fine. We had 5 more tokens. So now I know not to use it until I want to lure somebody. I guess I'm just going to drop it there for now. Okay, let's take out the trash. Don't tell me I'm going to have to do this one by one. Oh, wait. Take empty trash bag. I'm dumb. Okay. I guess this is what I used to go pick up those limbs, huh? Oh, this is so nasty. Why am I the one doing this? And also, why am my game lagging? Stop lagging. Okay, I don't know if I fixed it. We'll see. Do I just pick them all like, oh my god, oh, that's disgusting. Why am I picking up body parts, bro? Oh my god. Wait, I can hide in here? Why would I need to hide in here though? Am I going to die? I really hope I don't have to. Okay, how do I get out to that trash can? Is there an exit to this place? Do I have to go? Oh, here it is. Oh my god. There's a coin on the ground. I mean, I'll take that. Hello? Am I gonna die going out to the trash bin? Please, Martin, don't kill me. Yeah. Okay. Trash is thrown out. Now, is there anything else? Oh, wait, there's a token I missed. Hold on. Let me grab you. Thank you. Huh. Well, I guess nothing's gonna kill me right now. Is anybody in the gas station, though? Okay, no, we're good. We're good. Let's just go start mopping the floors. Ew. Why does mop look like that? Oh, nasty. I guess I just gotta clean up the blood. That makes sense. I don't like the ambience in this game. It's kind of terrifying. Whose blood even is this? Do I even want to ask that? Or do I just not care? I guess I just don't care. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put you back in there. Thank you. We did 3 of the tasks already. Now we just gotta restock the incomplete shelf with boxes. Alright, easy. Let me pick up my tokens first, please. Be patient with me, game. I'm trying to make some money here. Did I miss any out here? Tokens? I'm so glad I can sprint. Okay, no tokens out here. I think we're chilling. Wait. Let it replace you? No.
Is that what the doppelgangers are on the inside? Are they spiders? What about the restrooms? Oh, I could probably hide in here, can I? Oh, tokens. Take toilet paper. Wait, what? I can throw toilet paper? Oh, is that another distraction? Wait, that's like an infinite source. I could just keep taking TP and throwing it. Okay, cool. Give me some more of these tokens. Thank you. What's in here? Nothing? I don't think there's anything in there. Okay. I believe I've explored most of the map, so I could probably finish that last task. Wait, dry hands. Why would I need it? No. Why is that a mechanic? Okay. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, you scared me. Stop doing that. I'm gonna leave my flashlight right there. Oh, a little gate for me. I don't like having that open at all. Can we close it? Can I? Yeah, let's close that. I'm not really trying to have any doppelgangers walk in through there. God, with that door. Okay, restock. Drag products onto the shelf. Oh, wait. This is like gas station simulator. That goes up there. That goes there. Oh, I'm actually goated at this. Hold on. Wait. Let me lock in. Right there. This one. Boom. Watch how fast I'm going to do this. Boom. 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 Okay, wait. I'm actually slower than I expected. Boom. Boom. And done. Yeah, I'm going to go. Wait, can I use this computer? Net database. I can search for somebody. Cash Markle. Okay, nope, that's not gonna work. I don't know who I'm supposed to search for. Okay, so it looks like we can't access those just yet. Let me grab the last box. All right, I think this is the last box. And let's restock this shelf. Might as well finish our tasks. Okay, you go there. Watch the speed run. Boom. Oh, that's it. That's all I had to. Okay, wait. Read the instructions on the checkout counter. Okay, well, let me put the box back. Do I have to restock anything else over here? I'm just gonna leave it. I don't think I need to. There's still 13 products in there. All right, what does this say? Some of your customers will be doppelgangers. You may ask each customer 5 questions. If you suspect anything about their story or appearance, question them to determine if their response is human. If you ask the right question, you will see non-human detected. Locate the gun underneath the counter and shoot. Who opened the door? I heard somebody walk in. I know I'm not tripping. I know I heard this sound. Who was that? Oh my goodness. Well, now you must be the new night clerk. It's probably a little daunting, huh? Okay, are you like my boss? No worries. Let me give you a rundown on how it's done. First, scan my ID card. All right, I'm gonna imitate you. So there's a gun right there that I only use on doppelgangers. I'm not gonna use on any humans. So do I take your ID first or your items? I'm gonna take your ID first. Click to scan. Okay, Clyde Dawson. Boom. Now check the computer. All right, occupation, sheriff, often in uniform, often wears glasses. Okay, let's question his occupation.
Great job. Now interact with me to question my appearance.
Okay.
Ask me anything, my friend.
I want to verify your head.
Well done. And don't stress. There's no time limit when it comes to questioning customers.
Oh, bag his items and accept the transaction with the register. Okay, so I gotta question them first and then I can check them out. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, I will accept your transaction. Thank you, Sheriff. Gun unlocked. Now I can actually kill doppelgangers. Okay, so what is that percentage in the top left? Oh, I gotta restock at the same time? Okay, I can restock. Don't worry. Who are you? Are you here to buy stuff? We don't got a lot of items. Let me restock this place for you, okay? Just be patient with me.
Hey there, long night at the hospital. Just need to grab a few things, then head home.
All right, let me check your ID first. Bonnie McCree. All right, that's a nice little signature. Let's scan that. All right, Bonnie McCree, you are alive.
I don't have anything to say about this.
Let me verify your occupation.
Nurse over at County General. It's been a long night.
Okay, looks good. Are you bald?
Yeah, I keep it shaved. Easier that way. No time to fuss with hair when you're running around a hospital.
And often wears glasses. Where's your glasses?
Oh yeah, I took my glasses off before heading in there.
What about your date of birth?
I don't have anything to say about this.
Okay, well, you gave all human responses, so I don't think there's really much to question you about anymore. I really hope you're not a doppelganger. If you are, I'm gonna be so confused. But now that she's gone, I can actually restock. Oh god, I gotta restock, gang. Gang, where do I restock items at? That shelf's full, that one's full. Wait, all the shelves are full? Okay, I'm dumb. There's an exclamation point. We're done.
Hey man, just grabbing some stuff real quick. No big deal.
Brother, your face looks a little scary there. I'm not gonna lie. Whatever. That is not a real ID. How do I scan this thing? Use the computer to search names. Okay. His name's Nathan Calloway. All right. Do this now because you didn't give me the right ID. Deceased? This guy's dead? Oh my god. What do you mean deceased? Where's the photo? Doppelganger detected? Kill it?
Huh?
Yo, I gotta kill you, brother.
I gotta kill you, bro. I'm sorry I had to do this, but... Oh, God. Yeah. I just killed that man. Oh, my God. A higher rating encourages customers to spend more money. Well, I kind of, don't mind the body parts around here. I have to grab a trash bag and clean that up. Let me go back here. Oh, my God. Oh, this is bad. Nobody sees a single thing, okay? All right. Oh, God, I gotta mop this, too. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, there's a lot more tasks than I expected. Let me throw that away. Boom. Where's the mop? Give me the mop. Okay. I'm going. I'm trying to sprint, but I can't anymore. Okay. So, if I look in the top left, I see 87%. That's just how clean the store is.
Hey there, cutie.
Yo, I don't have time to flirt with you right now. I'm sorry, ma'am. Why am I at 99%? Where's the other trash? Is there something else around here I'm missing? Whatever. I'm putting you back in there. Okay. I'm gonna check you out. Don't worry, ma'am. Let me scan this real quick. I like your signature. You look... I mean, wait, you're a plumber? Oh, I caught you. I thought you were a flight attendant. Flight attendant for 3 years. Yeah, I highly doubt that, ma'am. Get out here. Thank you very much. All right, time to clean it up again. Nobody else walk in for a second. Let me clean up these body parts real quick. Watch how fast I can do it, though. Yeah. Okay, gotta go throw that away now. Delivery has arrived. Open the loading bay gate. Okay, well, what in the world is that? What in the... Yeah, no. I'm going straight back home. No, thank you. No, thank you, bro. I do not want any part to do with this. All right, let's open that up. And I guess in the meantime, I can get my mop, right? I can start cleaning. Might as well do 2 things at once, bro. Oh, my God. I don't want to go... Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. Okay, I got it. We're chilling. I'm not even worried about it. Although, I got to restock. Thank goodness we got a delivery. Oh! Answer the phone? Do I have to right now? Do I have to answer it?
Hey, man, I'm just down the road from your store. My car won't start. I really need a hand getting it running again. Can you come out and help me?
I don't know if I want to help you. Can I at least restock first? Yeah, I'm just going to restock first if that's chill with you, all right? Let me make sure my store's all good, and then I'll worry about you, buddy. Let's do that one. Put that. Put that. Okay, shelf stocked. We're at 80% stock right now. What else needs to be stocked? Oh, this over here. Boom. 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 And boom. Box empty. Okay, I should probably clear out each box first. All right, we're at 93%. I feel like that's probably enough. I doubt we need to fully restock it. Okay. Oh, this is the guy. You couldn't have just walked to the door? Why did you call me? You could have so easily walked 10 feet. Oh! What do you mean run and hide? What do you mean run and hide? Oh my God. 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 Yo, give me the bed. Give me the bed. Give me the bed. Hello? It's gone? Are you sure? I don't know if I trust you. Okay. Well, now I know not to help people out on the road. Hi there, sir. You looking for stuff? All right, let me just go back to my counter. I don't like this. Wait, I'm actually gonna close this gate as well. I'm not trying to have anybody running through there. You gotta make sure nobody crawls under that. Okay, we're good. It's closed. Oh, wow, that was terrifying. All right, what does this say again? Oh, yeah. I already know what to do. Get the gun and shoot any doppelgangers. What's up, bro?
Good evening. Just grabbing a few things before heading back on the road.
Alrighty, let me just check you out, Kevin Larson. I'm gonna scan that for you. Let me check this out. Occupation insurance sales, often informal wear, tall. So what's your date of birth? 21st of April? Okay, human response. That's good. What about your appearance? Yeah, that's me. Okay. How about insurance sales? Okay, human response. I'm just checking. You know, I gotta ask. I gotta use up all of my questions. What if I search up Kevin Larson up here? Okay, same thing. He's alive. I guess we can ask him about being tall. Just blessed with good genes, I suppose. All right. I'm pretty sure he's a human, but might as well use the last question. All right, you're safe, bro. I like the responses you gave. Let's accept the transaction. See you later. Now, what if I just let a doppelganger go through? I'm not gonna lie, it would be the best case scenario if I just checked out a doppelganger and let them leave. You know what I mean? Like, at least they're out of the store. I'm gonna restock in the meantime while that police officer is... Okay, what is this?
a trap? Can I place it down right here? I wonder, wait. Laying trap. Boom. Okay. I'm glad I did that. Well, let me check your ID, sir. Ryan Holt. Okay, Ryan Holt. Occupation, non-human eradication task force. Well, where's the rest of his stuff, like his description? I'm gonna ask about your occupation. We're the reason those doppelgangers haven't ripped you apart yet. You should be grateful. Okay, chill, bro. Let me check your date of birth. Got nothing to say about that? Okay, looks like you're giving human responses so far. What about your image? Okay, that's you, that's you. What about you're alive? Are you alive? Do you seriously think I'd die on one of the streets? Okay, alright, bro. You don't gotta be so arrogant. Jeez. Let me accept you. You're welcome. Objective, your shift is done. Clean up and head to the bus. Well, thank goodness. Now, what do I actually clean up? I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where the dirt is. It says 99% in the top left. I have no idea where in the world that... Wait, what happens if I step on that? Can I... Ow, why did I do that? Why did I... I'm curious. I'm curious, bro. I don't know why. Okay, that was a bad idea. I'm just gonna place you back. Ah, horrible idea. It's just saying to clean up. It's not saying to restock. So where exactly do I clean? Maybe I just spam here. This is where all the blood was previously, right? Oh, I could just hold this. I don't even need to spam it. Well, I have no idea how to get that to... Oh, it was a floating little blood piece right there. Well, I cleaned up. I don't know if I have to restock, but I'm just gonna take a chance and say that I don't. Okay. Is that a bad idea? I feel like that's a bad idea. I should have probably restocked. I don't care. I just want to go home. Okay? Good night. Am I safe? Am I good? End of night report. Today's quota $50. Oh, yeah. We made $116. I am the GOAT. Okay, so I see why I cannot let doppelgangers through. I'm guessing they give me counterfeit money, so it removes from my quota. Okay. I love it. It's a new night. Check the notice board. Yes, sir. Will do. Just don't do anything harmful to me. Thank you. Okay, I kind of don't want to have this trap here. I'm gonna pick it up just in case. I'm not really sure like if it works on the humans, but I'm just gonna drop it right there. Thank you. I don't think I need the rest of these either. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to use those later. Let me check the notice board in here. I have 18 tokens. Wait, I'm kind of the GOAT. Low key. What do we got? Midnight news. Traitors among us.
Among Us?
Some humans siding with doppelgangers. Religious group advocates for total replacement by doppelgangers. They call themselves the Assimilation Order. What you mean, bruh? What you mean by that, dude? Okay. Well, we're not being replaced by doppelgangers. I don't care. Our quota's still $50. Easy. Wait, retrieve mop here? Yeah, I know that. You don't need to have a note for it. We got more tokens, though. All right, now, who's there? Who are you? Yo, why are you... Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't you be cursing at me now, okay? You acting funny, I'ma stay away. Roger, I like your signature, bro. How about you tell me about your mustache that's not there? Shut up and ring me already. All right, you are a mean guy. I'm a question you on everything. Don't like the shirt, ain't here to impress nobody. Okay, okay. What about your date of birth? Shut up and ring me already. No, I'm gonna ask you every question I possibly can. Are you alive? Huh? Okay, he's just giving me the same response over and over. I'm just gonna use my last response on this. Okay, you seem to actually be a human, although you are acting so much like a doppelganger right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'll just ring you up, buddy. Just get out of my store. You're kind of mean. I'm not gonna lie. I would take the gun and shoot you if I could, but that's kind of messed up. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe not. Okay, who's this walking in the store now? Wait. How did you just place all those down without even shopping? You didn't even go to the aisles. Okay, Jade. Hey, that does not look right. Jade Sinclair? That does not... You are a completely different skin tone on both of these. Let me ask about this.
Doppelganger.
You didn't need to be suspicious. I merely underwent human puberty since the camera captured me. Nah. I not trusting you. Get out of my store. Wait. I didn't kill her? I didn't kill her. That's the one time I didn't shoot in the head. No, you are dying. Die. Well. Why is this guy walking in with a gun? Why are you walking in with a gun? What you doing over there? What you doing? No, it's a fake gun. I'm sorry. I don't trust you. You die. Oh my gosh. Okay, there is blood everywhere. I have killed so many people. Oh my god. I need to get the mop. Give me the mop. Oh god, oh god, oh god. No, you don't. Why are you shirtless, buddy? You are weird. Hold on, just cleaning up all the ketchup that seemed to spill around here. Don't worry. It's just ketchup, okay? You don't... No, it's not blood. Why are you asking me that? You're silly. I'm just cleaning it all up so nobody has to slip on ketchup. It's just tomatoes. I know I gotta go check them out in a second, but like, I feel like we gotta get rid of all this first. I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of disgusting. I need to be up to 100% because I don't know what happens if that gets down to 0, bro. I'm a little scared to see what happens. I feel like I'm gonna get killed or jump scared. Okay, all the blood's gone. I'll check him out and then I'll pick up all the body parts, I guess. Oh, more blood. Hey, man, just picking up something for my sister, Catherine. Give me 1 second. Let me see your ID. Tommy Delgado. All right, Tommy Delgado. Where's your shirt at, huh? Unemployed? I'm kind of in between jobs right now. Well, let me ask you about your shirt. That's me, but it's from a while ago. Okay. So what if I search up Tommy Delgado? Is it show me something different? Huh? No? Okay. Are you alive? Got nothing to say about that. Good, good. I like when I see human responses. What about your date of birth? Got nothing to say? Okay. Well, if you're just picking up something for your sister, I guess I'm gonna let you go through, man. There you go. Go on ahead. Now, let me go get a bag so I can start picking that stuff up. Give me 1 second. Oh, wait a second. You just came in here, bro. How in the world are you? Wait, what? That makes no sense. Okay, hold on. Let me pick up all these body parts. Nobody sees a thing. I have a feeling that guy is most definitely a doppelganger. He literally just walked in the store. There's no way there's 2 of them. Did you just clone with the guy you walked past, bro? Ain't no friggin'... Oh, that thing's getting closer. Oh, you are getting closer, and I don't like you. I don't like you one bit. All right, get me out of here. Okay. Hold on. I'm on my way. I'm on my... So, you can't just walk back in here and act like this isn't weird, bro. I'm gonna check your appearance. How are you a human? There's no way you just walked in here twice. I saw 2 of you. You are most definitely a doppelganger. You're giving me human responses. There's no way this guy is actually walking in here twice. Well, there's nothing else to question him about, right? Other than these 4. What if I search up Tommy Delgado? Yeah, he's still alive. Okay. I guess you really did just walk in here twice then. There you go. Good luck. I don't know if he gave me counterfeit money. Okay, let me restock before anybody else comes in. Boom. Delivery has arrived. Yo, give me 1 second. Game, you're making me go too fast. I'm trying to restock. You can't just keep giving me more stuff without it being filled up, bro. Let me open the loading bay gate. Give me 2 seconds. Stop making me rush around everywhere. Now, let me refill the rest while that's all loading up its stuff. Okay. All right, we got another sheriff-looking dude in here. Take all the time you need, bro. I'm just going to be restocking right behind you. Okay? Thank you very much, bro. Here, let's remove that. Oh, I know. Okay, you're ready. Hold on. Let me just drop. Oh,
Hey, I'm back. How's the new job working out for you?
it's working out great.
You're still alive, so you're doing better than most. I'm proud of you, kid.
Well, thank you.
Not many are willing to take a job this dangerous. Your job is as dangerous as mine, but you don't get the same respect I do. Ah, well, you got my respect if that means anything to you.
All right. Well, thanks, bro. I'm not gonna lie, you low-key a yapper. I'm just gonna check you out, but first, let me make sure. Let me make sure that you're not a doppelganger, okay? Let me just,
I look good in my photo, don't I?
Yeah, okay. Human response. Let me just make sure you're giving all human responses. I don't want to be accidentally giving you free items here, okay? Because I don't want counterfeit cash. I just want regular cash. Thank you. Let me check. Are you really born on that day? Not sure what to say. Okay. Well, let me also just search up Clyde Dawson. Let me make sure this doesn't show anything different, okay? Are you alive? Yes, you're alive. Okay. Well, I mean, I guess you're good to go, so I'll accept you for now. Why not? Go ahead, bro. Go on ahead. Have a nice day.
Hey, who are you?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What in the heck is that thing? I don't even want to talk to it. Do I even talk to it? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put down a trap. I'm gonna put... Hi. Hi. Where's your gasoline? I don't know where my gasoline... I don't know where my gasoline is. I'm just gonna... you scare me. You scare me. I'm putting a trap right there. Okay? And I'm gonna take another one. Please get the heck away from me, Brody. Alright, you're going right there. Boom. Do I check his ID? Hey. You are not... Doppelganger detected. Where's your gasoline? Stop asking me for gasoline, bro. I'm gonna kill you. This time in the head. Boom. Oh my god. I don't think he died. You let one creature complete his transaction earlier in the night. They have shifted forms and will arrive at the store in 60 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lay traps and board doors to fend off invading entries. Oh god. Okay. Okay, we gotta board up the doors. Wait, hold on. No, you know what? I'm picking up this trap. Lock it. Yo, it's not letting me pick it up. What do you mean? What do you mean, game? Oh. Okay, trap's going right here. Thank you. I gotta board up the door. Oh my god. Wait. I gotta pick this trap up. We gotta move you, buddy. You're going right there. Okay. And now I gotta board up the doors. Board up. Yo, I have 25 seconds. Oh my gosh. Why is it so dark now? I can barely even see. All right, we're boarding up this door. I have 19 seconds. Log in. Okay, close that. And then I'm gonna, pick you up. Oh gosh. Hold on, I need to grab my gun. I need to grab my gun just in case. Go. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Board up the door. Okay. Now grab the gun and we go inside. Oh my god. Enemies hit by enough traps and barricades will leave this door. Well, I'm hiding. I'm hiding inside. I heard something. Oh my god. Loud noises come from throwing cola bottles, firing gunshots, etc. So do I have to leave the vent? Okay. I'm gonna purchase one of these. And then I'm gonna throw it. Hold on, I gotta place a trap right here. Okay, now oh god. Yeah, go to that trap. Go to that trap, Brody. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Okay, he hit that trap, so can I buy another one? And then just reset the trap? Oh my god. I'm terrified right now. Alright, I'm gonna throw you right there. Did he leave the store yet? Yes or no? Where is... Oh my god, he's right there. Hey, yo, Brody, what is this? Explosive? One-time use? Okay, I'm not gonna use it then. Where are you at? I'm just gonna... Oh god, you're breaking through the barricade now. Don't you do it. I have another trap. I'm gonna place it. I'm not scared of you. Oh, you're coming this way now, huh? You're coming this way. I gotcha. Oh, yeah, come on through, bro. Yeah, that's right. I know that hurted you. I know it hurt. Now back away. Oh, you're still coming. You're still coming near me. Oh. Okay, you're going back down. Let me grab a cola bottle. Take that. Oh, what? Oh my god, I've alerted it? What do you mean I've alerted it? I just jumped that trap like it was nobody's business, bro. That was so stressful. And for why? You skibbity. Well, now I can pick up the traps. I know what they're used for at least, but gotta make sure not to let any more doppelgangers through, bro. Alright, you all just stay right there. Clean up and head to the bus. I gotta clean up this thing's mess now, bro. Oh, let's just hope nothing interrupts me on my way back home, okay? If a doppelganger comes and kills me, there's nothing I could really do. Store revenue was how much? Oh, I reached the quota. Okay, wait. $18 in counterfeit money. That's fine. Human killed penalty? I killed a human? But, yo, he had a gun. What do you mean? Do I just not kill people with guns? Okay. I didn't do great that night, but it's okay. And hey, that's it. Shift at midnight demo complete. So yeah, guys, this game's actually not fully out. It's just the demo. I'm probably gonna play the full game when it actually comes out. But I'm not gonna lie, that was actually pretty fun. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe so I can hit a mil on this channel. Have a good day / night / evening. Peace. Today, we added a shapeshifter and a camouflager imposter to Among Us. These two imposters have to work together to try and kill all the crewmates, but we also have some roles to help us figure out who's evil. So let's see if we can win against these imposters, or if maybe I get the role. Alright, we added a shapeshifter and camouflager role to Among Us. So the two imposters are literally gonna be under the radar the whole time. This is gonna be super difficult, but I'm muted up. And here's my role on screen right here. Let's see if I get... Ooh. Oh wait, I'm in love with Nico. Hey, yo. Okay, well that's a little sus. But now I know it's not him, because I'm pretty sure you cannot be lovers with an imposter. I gotta keep that in mind. And I'm gonna watch Zoe. Oh, Zoe's going down. Hey, what's going on? I'm watching you, Zoe. I'm watching you. You gonna go kill? I know that's you. Okay, she was acting a little sus.
Nico?
Yo, Zoe, why are you faking visual tasks?
Well, okay, what was the task, bud?
The trash can one? I didn't see the garbage chute go out.
Okay, pretty much what happened, the lights went out. I was watching Cash and Nico. Nico went down towards admin. There's a body right there in admin. Nico's walking up. I walk down, report the body.
I will say I do not think it's Nico. And I was also watching you, Zoe. I was like keeping track of you to see if you killed.
Well, I was making sure, like, you know.
I'm just saying, if I die, it's Zoe.
No. The thing is, Nico, you could have just said that someone else killed it and invented. Why you insta-sussing me? That's the thing.
I mean, what are you talking about?
That kill was not Zoe. I was watching her the whole time while she was camouflaged. I'm not saying she's innocent, though.
It wasn't me, though. I'm just saying.
No, it's you, bro. You try to suss me. Okay.
I don't think it's Nico either. I think y'all are fighting it out for no reason. It's definitely someone quiet over here.
Thank you. Someone's talking for me.
All right. Nobody else has info?
Honestly, nah.
I have info. I'm just gonna keep it to myself. But I do know who one of the imposters is.
Just say it.
Just say it. You're gonna die.
Just say it.
I don't think y'all want me to say it. Yeah, you know who you are.
That's crazy.
I genuinely do not think it's Nico. We should not throw that. The reason I'm saying it's not Nico is because he's my lover, obviously. Pause. I don't think you could be lovers with an imposter. I mean, if you can, then I'm definitely throwing by saying that it's not Nico. So maybe not. I don't know. Who knows? Okay, wait. Let me see if I can find a dead body because since I'm the detective, I'm pretty sure I can inspect stuff and I can examine a dead body. Wait. Examine. Here we go. All right, so this is where the body was. And now if I inspect people, I can see who it is. So first, let's inspect Nico. I'm gonna inspect him. Okay, he's green, which means that it's not him. Who else can I inspect? Oh my goodness. Yo, what's going on? Why am I invisible? Wait, what? Why do I have a kill on my screen now? Somebody killed Nico. No. Who did it?
Oh.
There goes Nico.
Where the bodies?
Zoe, you have anything to explain?
No, I was following you towards weapons.
Peter said I don't think it's Nico.
Nico's dead on lights. Okay, yeah, maybe it wasn't you then, Zoe, because I did see you at the end there, but...
Okay, so Cash, you went to cafeteria and then you started walking towards weapons, right?
Yes.
Nico said you were faking visual tasks?
No, I literally did the task and bro just thought I was faking it.
No. But that's what I'm saying. Which trash chute was it? Was it the one at the top of cafeteria?
It was the one top in cafeteria. I still have the storage one that I could do.
No, yeah, that one doesn't show anything. It's only the storage one.
I do not think it is Zoe. Unless she's, like, incredibly fast. Or camouflaging, I don't know.
Mia, are you an admin?
No, I'm not even close to admin.
I'm so Mia. I don't know why.
No, it's not me. It's not me.
Okay, I'll believe you for now.
Mia could be playing Jesty, though.
I'm not the jester either, but I do know who the imposter is.
It might be the miner or Peanut.
Something has told me that the miner is not good. Not good.
Okay, good to know.
Oh, well, I feel like it's a little too late now. Oh, no. Okay, we gotta make sure not to die here. I really don't want to get caught in the crossfire because there's 2 imposters. I don't like this. Wait, can I go examine Nico's body? I'm an Avenger, so I can't really examine anymore. Unfortunately, I could just kill. That's all I will do. That's all I will do. I'm just gonna watch everyone. Are lights about to go out or is O2 about to go out? Tell me. I'm gonna kill anybody. I will kill someone. Nah. So what's going on here? I don't trust anyone. JD's over here. VMT's here. I'm just following everyone around. I'm not doing any of my tasks because I'm just trying to track. I kind of like staying near Zoe though. Where did the miner go? Hey. No. Are you serious? The Peanut's dead. Okay, well, I looked around and there's nobody here.
Wait, VMT just died?
Okay. I don't think it was Zoe or Mia. I think it's Shady and the miner.
Okay, well, we should definitely get the miner out.
I think we should vote out miner first. I think he's the safest. I'm sus of Shady as well.
Let's get the miner out. VMT was just an electrical and then he walked out, but I was on like the thing.
No!
Let's go! Yeah.
Dude.
Nah.
Okay, we go again. Let's see what I get this time. Oh, okay. I do like this. And I'm the camouflager. Camouflage and get secret kills. Okay, will do, I guess. Now we'll go down this way, and I can camouflage as somebody. Huh, well, that's very interesting. I guess we're gonna watch VMT. Ah, yes, we are. Okay, very sus. I don't know who's medbaying right now, but it looks like VMT and the miner's pretending to medbay over there. I'm not really sure if that's the move. I'm gonna fix these lights, even though I just sabotaged them. I don't even care. Mia's just standing there all crazy like. I'm gonna pretend to do this, and then I will go up here. Just check it out. Okay, very good. Let's go over here, and then vent. Yeah, hop in that.
I walked to the bottom right, and I see Mia on the floor, right above cafeteria.
Okay, yeah, who medbayed in the beginning?
Me.
VMT? I know it wasn't the miner that medbayed.
The miner trying to fake medbay.
There was 2, though. Was it Alyssa that medbayed too?
I don't know. There was like 5 people on medbay.
That was me.
Was it actually?
Yeah, I hopped up in there medbayed real quick.
Wait, is he joking?
No, I medbayed.
Where was the body?
I'm pretty sure it's Shady and VMT.
VMT is my clear brother, and whoever 2 comes around me and VMT, like, that's my boy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for real, because I will up the switch on yo.
All right, can everyone just skip so we can keep going?
Oh, bro, yeah, and Cash sus too. Cash and Nico.
Cash can get it too. Wait.
Oh my goodness. What is with them? They are yapping, bruh. Whatever. All right, well, Shady and VMT are apparently the brothers with each other. What if I camouflage as Shady? I feel like that'd be hilarious. All right, I'm going up here. Yeah. All right, I'm going up to this side first. Take that. Yes, sir. Okay, now we go here. Oh, nah. Yeah, what's going on? Can I kill? Okay, wait. Well, I don't even know how that worked. It was like camo for a second. Wait, is Juliet gonna say anything?
Hey, VMT, who's that above you?
Zoe.
Juliet, did you just walk past it with me? I was trying to get Juliet's attention, but she just walked past the body for a second.
Who was with with you in decontamination, VMT?
Zoe and Cash.
It's Cash or Zoe.
No. I kept track. It was me, VMT, Shady, and Juliet. We were all in reactor.
No, I'm talking about when y'all left to decontamination. Who was the person that was above you, VMT? You were in the middle, someone was below you, and someone was right above you.
I think it was Juliet. Yeah, it was Cash and Juliet.
It's one of them.
Why? The body was all the way in the center of the map.
It's one of them for shody.
Why would it be me? I'm so confused.
It's Cash or Juliet. It's whoever was in decontamination with you. They are one of the imposters.
Cash was standing over the body in the hallway.
Yeah, because you were right behind me, Juliet. I was showing you it wasn't me.
It's because there was a shield on you, all right?
Wait, what? Wait, who has shield?
No, the shield cracked, like on you. It literally turned green.
Wait, the shield turns blue.
No, I had a shield on VMT and it turned green. And that's when I knew I saved him. So whoever was next to us in reactor right there tried to kill you while everyone was camouflaged. So it's Cash or Juliet for sure.
If Shady dies here, then I say we just believe him. I'm saying it's not me though. So if y'all want to vote Juliet, you can.
Dude, we can't though. There's 2 imposters alive. We have to wait, but like it's one of them for sure.
And he's dead. I knew that was gonna happen. Why you wait so long?
Uh-oh. Let's go.
I genuinely don't think this one was her though, but oh no.
JJ's, everybody! Yeah!
I knew she was the jester. She walked past the dead body too. I wasn't thinking about it.
Let's go!
Oh. All right, let's go. Ooh, crewmate. Nice. Nah, I'm just kidding. I said that unmuted. I'm just joking with them. I'm just messing with them. Obviously, I'm not, but you guys know that. Nobody else does. What if I just go sit on cams? Okay, what am I hearing right now? What? How is somebody venting already? I would have seen it. I think that's just Shady trolling. Okay, let's go. Very interesting. I could go over here.
Nah, what was that? I think VMT just murked the peanut, bro.
Okay, wait, whoa.
On the dead homies, bro.
Where is the body?
Right outside of a laboratory.
We have 2 people sussing VMT, so this is a safe vote.
No, I could see it, but we also had to remember that camouflager can be like disguised as someone for the entire round pretty much.
Okay, yes, and let me throw this in there. The only other person that was next to me walking out was Mia, and I didn't even go into laboratory. I went to that little telescope thingy
He was
to
at
find
the
the stupid
telescope.
little asteroid. You did see that, twin. Exactly. I walked out of there. I was going in the office, and I'm good.
I'm gonna be honest. He's safe.
Okay, when I clicked the button, were you with VMT, Mia?
VMT had already left. I was on the telescope. However, do we know who killed? Because whoever killed is not bad.
What do you mean whoever killed is not bad? What?
If it was VMT, he's safe. I'm just saying.
Loud from full court. It's Nico. Self-report. I'm just throwing that out there.
No. I clicked the button. I didn't even report. I just checked vitals real quick and then went to office.
That's why I couldn't see it.
Suspicious.
Bro, dude, it's gotta be VMT or someone was disguised as him. But listen, how would someone be disguised as him, bro? Because like it was so early in the round, like he would have had to sample someone and then like they can't come from the same family if they're the same virus.
Okay, well, I'm muted again. Bro, hearing my friends talk is hilarious sometimes. I actually don't get it. They just fight it out. You know, I don't even really need to say much during those meetings. I could just listen to them fight. And if I have no info, then I'm not going to give any. All right, let's just sit on cams. Anybody want to come with me? Anyone? Okay, I see Alyssa there. I see... Oh, Mia just hopped in a vent. I believe she's the engineer. Mia, why are you hopping in and out of vents? Wait, what if I test the sabotage? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay, I'm fixing this left one. I'm fixing the left one. Anybody else going? Oh my goodness. Nobody was fixing, bro. Okay, are we safe? Zoe went in here. I'm gonna follow around and pretend like I'm looking for bodies. Wait, let me open this door. Boom. Somebody dead in here? Nope, nobody's dead. Okay, well, since I saw Mia vent on cams, I guess I could definitely kill her. Wait, what if I go sample somebody over here? Zoe? Okay, she's good. Let's go this way then. All right, now we morph. Yes, now I am Zoe. Nobody can tell the difference. Oh, I gotta go. Get me in here. Get me in the vent. Yes, okay, perfect. Let's get out. Wait, the trapper caught you? What does that mean?
Bro.
Okay, Shady, I saw what you saw.
No, okay. Mia is the killer, bro. She murked one of them and hopped in a vent in front of me, bro.
No, it's not me.
Wait, so Mia, where were you?
I'm currently over by laboratory, but Shady, why would I hop out in front of you, bro?
Okay, so it is Mia. She trying to play engineer. Ain't gonna happen.
They just got killed by a morphling.
Okay, then why were you in the spot that exactly is where the vent is?
Oh, yeah, that's a good point.
So how would I know that Peanut was killed by the sheriff, Alyssa was killed by a morphling? Morphling. Don't know who the miner was killed by.
Okay, so it is Mia. She just gave false info.
That's not false info. Whoever died in the first round was killed by the sheriff.
I'm thinking it's Mia.
Actually, wait. She might. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Nico, you died, bruh.
Ugh.
No, Nico's alive.
No, Nico's alive.
Why does it show an X for me? Are you still alive?
Okay, my screen's cracked. No, I think I'm dead. I think I'm dead, gang.
No, wait. That means someone cracked his shield.
Oh, someone cracked his shield.
Oh.
Oh gosh, if there's 2 imposters though, we're dead.
Okay, I actually take back what I said about Mia. It's a good chance it's not her.
I'm gonna say there's a good chance if Nico's actually dead. I think there's probably only one imposter now.
Oh, I crashed.
Zoe Newt, bro. Oh, no.
The imposter is taking out everyone.
Yeah.
No! We lost because of a game error, guys. What the heck?
Bro, wait, who was it?
Bruh.
No, it hasn't ended yet. We don't know if it ended.
The game's not over yet.
Oh, okay, wait, this is perfect. I am the imposter. Nobody will ever know.
Oh my goodness. Oh, we gotta go. Oh, we gotta go. Run. Go. Okay, I sampled Mia. All right, I got Mia as a sample. Go. All right, I run here. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta run. I think they just saw a double Mia, didn't they? Wait, what? What just happened? What in the world is going on? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. That was just a cheap win because everybody was crashing.
Oh, heck nah, bruh. Mia just left.
I crashed.
All right, we go back on Skeld. Let's run it. Let's see if I get imposter again. I've been getting really lucky with the roll. Oh, no. Okay. I'm a Lone Ranger, but that's my role. It's Jester. Okay, very interesting. So what if I just hide away from everyone? I'm just gonna run around the map and do nothing. Everyone's gonna wonder why I'm running around so far. They're gonna be very sus of me, and they're gonna vote me out. And I'm just gonna be very silent during the meetings. I think that's probably the play. If I don't say anything, they're just gonna sus me no matter what. So I'm running. Nah.
Okay, where was the body, Mia?
Body was on they were looking at the admin table.
Was there anyone near you, Mia?
Okay, so I know Nico's safe because he wasn't there.
Nico safe? Where did he come from?
I came from Shields. He was coming from me from Shields, went through storage, came to admin.
Unless it was a fast report, then I don't think it's Mia. She could have self-reported.
Okay, was anybody else near each other?
Do you think the body was like fresh or what?
It was already flat down. I have sus on Peanut only because I saw him go forward earlier.
To throw this out there, I know 100% that it is the miner. Like 100%.
Okay. What was the miner's path, Shady?
The miner's path, he came from Cam's area.
Okay, yeah, then it's him. I saw him kill Zoe then. Everyone was camouflaged and I saw him kill Zoe, and I was trying to figure out who it was, but the door closed on me.
Oh, so then it's Miner. Wait, Nico just shot at him.
He probably guessed wrong.
Yeah, that's enough for me. I'm voting Miner.
I'm sorry, miner. I just have a lot of info.
I just needed to hear that he came from top left cafeteria. That's all I gotta know.
I don't think we can vote here, guys. This is not smart. If we don't get an imposter, rip.
Yeah, then we're cooked. Martin? Yes. Okay, there's one. You know, I'm not really playing a Jester right now, but I kind of want to figure out who the actual imposter is. I'm very sus. All right, let's fake this task right here. Boom. We'll go over here. Mia and VMT are there. Peanut. Okay. So Peanut's down there. Mia, Alyssa, and VMT are here. Peanut gonna come in as me or no? Yo, I'm so confused. I actually want to figure out who it is, even though I'm Jester. Am I about to see double? I'm playing games on my phone back here, bro.
Nah, bro. What was that, bro?
Why do you run straight to the button after that?
No. Okay, I walk into electrical. I got one task. I just gotta go up there and flick one switch. Tell me why I passed that like first little wall. This dude's tucked away in the back left corner. Like he was at the bottom, or like against the wall of like where you fix the light.
I was studying, okay?
Okay, so tell me why he's studying, yet the second I came around that corner, bro stopped studying and ran at me. So I sprinted straight to the button.
Listen, I can't give away my role. I was doing something.
All right, I got a visual task at the bottom of storage, but Cash gonna follow me and kill me if I'm left alone. So if I die, it's Cash.
I could see him freak out without any sound.
So if anybody wants to follow me to storage, I'm good, but Cash gonna kill me if nobody else comes. So.
I'm not gonna kill him. You'll see.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh my goodness. That was hilarious. I'm not gonna kill him. Come on, I'm a nice person. Even if I was an imposter, I wouldn't kill him. You know what I mean? It's just too wholesome. All right, VMT, where are you gonna go? You gonna go down here? Okay, you're gonna go down here, huh? I'm just gonna check the map real quick. I'm checking admin. Okay, let's go up here. Mia's gonna chase me down. I don't like that. I need to get out. Yeah. No, Mia, stop chasing me. Stop chasing me. I'm just trying to chill. Listen, that's all I'm trying to do. Oh. God in the cross. Okay, let me actually get out of here. Wait, I'm very sus. Where did Mia go? She was chasing me down for a second. Hold on, I'm confused. I'm actually trying to figure this out now. I don't even care about playing Jester. Who's dying?
Press the button. Is somebody dead?
I thought thought somebody would be, not gonna lie.
That's what I thought. That's why I pressed the button.
I don't know who it is.
I don't know either.
I still don't know why you're in that corner, but
It's not me, guys. The peanut says.
Mia was chasing me down the first part of that round, and then she left.
No, I figured you were safe.
I don't know.
She just be doing that sometimes for real.
No, true. I follow Alyssa a lot.
All right, we can skip then.
Nah, Hail Mary, it's Alyssa. But we can skip.
Yo, pause.
No, there's no way.
I actually do think it's Alyssa. It definitely could be. But it could also be Peanut. I know VMT's safe. I think the Peanut's safe. I'm not really sure. Okay, it probably could be the Peanut if he's taking a while to walk. Alyssa's over here faking a task. I don't trust her. Oh, and O2 is going off. All right, let's go. Where's Alyssa, though? I have no idea. Let me just go around this way. Oh, I'm gonna let Peanut do that. I don't want to die. Alyssa's the only one that's away.
Aye, Martin. Alyssa was so far away.
Oh, is she killing the Peanut in there? Hey, 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 hey. Skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet. Let me in. Oh, nah. Nah. Mia, VMT, were y'all together?
Yes, we were.
It's Peanut. It's Peanut.
I believe that leaves us with the peanut.
Yeah, where is it? I actually am quite curious.
It's in admin. The doors were closed and I saw him kill her. It's a self-report. I'm being framed. Do not believe him.
No, because Cash would have just killed you and then let the timer run out.
See? They all agree. Peanut, make your vote. Mia, you voted Peanut?
I voted Peanut.
All right, good.
Cash, make your vote. We finna light that thing in, boy.
There's no way he gets imposter like 5 times.
Bye, Mr. Peanut.
We will see.
You say you ain't gonna throw like we finna lose or something. Bye, boy.
Aha! I'm not gonna lie. I was the jester, but I kind of just wanted to figure that one out, so.
Let's go.
Yippee!
All right, let's go again. Same map. Let's make this a quick round. Ooh, imposter. No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually just crewmate. I just wanted to say that to trick them. I said it unmuted. Ooh, I actually really love this role. Okay, Dubs. You know, for the first time in forever, I think I'm actually gonna do my task. I feel like it's been super long since I've done those. So there we go. There's one. We're gonna go over here to navigation and we're gonna do 2. If we have a sabotage, I will fix it. Mia's following me around and I don't like that. Are we about to get sabotaged? What do I feel like we are? I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. Okay, well, come on then. Sabotage. I'm ready for it. I am so ready. Okay, we'll do this. Boom. Done. Okay, wait, really? Not done? There we go. Okay, just did that. Let's fix the lights, even though I was right here anyways. And we'll go up to electrical and we'll do our wires. Boom, 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 boom. And then let's just go over here. And I kind of want to seal a vent. Juliet came from up here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, Martin, I think they saw me. They saw me. Okay, well, if one of them's imposter, they're gonna vote me out as the engineer. Nah.
Where are the bodies?
Huh. It was in admin. Like, nobody was near it, though.
Okay, hang on. It was Cash, Zoe, Alyssa. You guys were running from that little area, so I'm assuming it's not you guys. And then I saw the Peanut and the Miner and weapons. So who does that leave? Nico and Juliet.
That is true.
All right, let's just vote Nico for fun.
I'm low-key down with that.
Wait, what? And VMT, guys, and VMT.
Oh yeah, VMT's here too.
Y'all better have skipped or trolling.
I think I voted too early.
My fault, twin.
VMT, vote yourself if you want to save me, bro.
If I want to save you?
Yeah, no, get him out just for fun.
You killed him!
I had mad intel too. I didn't even get to talk.
Okay, well, he was the Oracle. That's not good. I think Shady just got an early kill on him, and I don't like that. Okay, Martin. Well, I guess we freak out then. I know Alyssa and Zoe are safe, and I don't know about Shady, but who knows? Okay, Martin. Let's keep going. Are we about to get sabotaged? Somebody want to turn out lights or something? Okay, we got Alyssa, Shady, Zoe here. Can I fix that? I feel like there's about to be a dead body. I don't trust this. I don't trust this. Why do I feel like someone's dead?
Boom!
No one is dead.
I was like, all 4 of us are together. If there's a dead body, we know exactly who it is, but I did not cook.
I think it's Juliet. Pretty sure.
Wait. What am I seeing? What am I seeing?
No. That's not me. You're trolling. Bro's trolling. Who did it? I'm just saying, get Juliet out, and I'm not 100% sure on Peanut. But those 2 are the most sus for me.
The Liquicon, 100%?
I don't trust Juliet. I'ma just say that.
What does it mean? I feel like Juliet could be a safe vote, low-key, or we don't even need to vote here.
Okay, we don't need to vote.
I was doing my task in comms. I was doing upload.
Nah, bro. Alyssa playing third imposter, bro.
No, because eventually we're finna get them out, bro.
Oh my gosh, bro.
No, I've been hanging out with my slimes, doing my task, bro. Like, I'm chill. Me and Cash have been doing the same task, low-key.
That's true. I have been with Alyssa.
We skipping?
Yeah, I am.
I voted Juliet.
I do think it is Juliet, though. I think that's a good vote.
I think it's Juliet and the Peanut. I'll be real.
Or VMT. Haven't seen VMT.
Always throw me in there, just like, or VMT, like, just for fun.
I did just kind of throw VMT in there.
Why am I hearing Shady breathing? What is that? Okay, let's keep going. I'm just do all my tasks. Yeah. All right, boom. All right, somebody's most definitely gonna die in this group. I don't like this. Nah, skibbity toilets. What in the world is going on? Okay, I don't have any tests in electrical, actually. I'm chilling. Somebody about to morph and die. I feel like Juliet's gonna kill. And I don't like that. I do have a task down here. I gotta clean this vent. All right, boom. Okay, we're good. Oh.
Okay, I'll be real now. I don't know how to use my role, so I don't know who it is now. I think I was fumbling on something.
It says imposter next to Zoe.
It's not me?
I think it's Peanut. Honestly, Peanut just sus.
Why?
Cash, I promise you just gotta hear me out.
But you just pressed the button, though.
Dude, we don't need to vote. We don't need to vote. Why we keep pressing the button?
Yeah, I feel like the imposter wouldn't press the button right there. I don't know.
That actually could be wrong, though. They could just be pressing the button to try to vote someone out. So it's 6.
Yeah, true.
Like, bro, any crewmate right now would know it's not a good idea to vote.
That's true. That's true.
Bro, Peanut and Juliet are like forcing votes, bro.
I think it's Juliet. I'm not 100% on Peanut unless I'm getting marinated.
It's Peanut, bro. I'm sorry. Gotta hear me out, though.
I'm skipping for now.
Alyssa playing third imp, bro.
Zoe Imp.
Zoe imp.
It's not me. Why is that there?
Could definitely be Shady. I don't know if he's unsussed himself. I guess the first round kind of made him not sus, but why am I the only one doing tasks? Is that just me? Okay, Martin. The only person I can trust is Alyssa right now because she's been next to me the entire time. And no, wait, Juliet. Where's Juliet at? Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Is Zoe gonna die? Is Zoe gonna die? No, 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 no. Let me in. Okay, Zoe's still alive. That's good. Well, that just leaves Peanut and Juliet by themselves. Is there gonna be a dead body? Okay, I'm leaving here. VMT, did you kill? Peanut, Alyssa. Did he just sample one of us? Sorry, I'm doing like so much math in my head right now. I feel like somebody's definitely got to be dead though. Can I vent? Let's vent over here. Yeah, nobody saw that, right? Okay, good.
Zoe, who is near you? Who is near you? Who is near you?
Juliet, I think she was in the vent.
It's Juliet. Don't ask me how I know. It's just obvious.
Okay.
That makes sense. I'm pretty sure.
But, like, low-key, I saw Cash jumping a window.
Ooh.
What in the Hawk Tua?
Alyssa, don't tell them I'm engineer, please.
Wait, hold your horses.
No, wait. Was it VMT and Juliet, maybe?
Well, too late now.
Hoogly boogly.
Was it Shady?
Oh, it might have been VMT.
Oh, wait, no, it actually was Juliet. Okay.
Yeah!
Oh, VMT was the camouflager.
Wow, VMT fumbled there.
Is it Sunday or a late night a game at Oracle?
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, I played golf with friends, but one of the maps was literally impossible to complete. We all got so mad trying to beat it, and in the end, some of us were actually able to get it, while others weren't. So I hope you enjoy seeing us get mad. It's time to see who can get the lowest score in golf with friends.
No time!
Okay.
This map is called Worms.
Yeah, it looks like worms too. I feel like this is where I would live. If I was a little wormy. Oh no!
Yo, guys, I went into a ditch.
Yo, I already fell once. Okay, listen, it's been a while since I have played this. I just overcooked by a lot. Okay, why do I have tips on my screen? I know how to play, I think. I'm already at 5 strokes though, so maybe I don't know how to play.
No.
I could bring this back. Yes! Okay, 6 strokes, that is actually horrible, but it's fine.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Where's Zoe?
I already won.
Oh, she did. She got it in 2. Well, it looks like me and Nico are tied for last right now. That's kind of buns. What is that? Did you just run into a bomb?
I did.
Oh, don't blow me up. Oh, I'm good.
Got any bombs?
Shady, I know your strat. You just let everyone else go first.
No, I actually went first last time.
I'm gonna get it in 3. That's fine.
Oh, come on.
Shady, watch out for the bomb. Don't you hit it. Oh.
Oh, I gotta watch out for the little bomb.
A little skibbity bomb. It looks like it'll only kill you if you're in the ring, though.
Gotta calculate this.
Oh.
Friggy darn.
I bogeyed it, dude. What?
I gotta lock in.
I got 3. Nico got 3. Zoe got 3. Yo, Zoe's actually kind of cooking right now.
Zoe's cooking. Redemption arc!
Wait, what is that?
Do I have to make it all the way through? Oh. Whoa, wait, what?
Yo, Shady just stole mine.
I think mine got stolen too. Where am I supposed to go? Jetpack? Oh, left mouse button. Oh, so you're supposed to press the jetpack. Aha. Oh, get me in there. Oh, I did it in 1, but it took me 3 tries, so.
That was very confusing.
How did I miss it?
Oh, there we go. And he got it in 2. Wait, Nico's about to get it in 2.
Oh, no.
I didn't know it was a jetpack, bro.
Look at my position, bro. I gotta do this weird thing.
Can you actually do it from there?
Nah, you just gotta go back, dog.
Bro, that's so close. Oh, dude, are you serious? This is so buns. This is actually buns.
Skibbity Martin. What? What are you doing? Oh, he's off course.
Hey, go ahead. Go ahead. Go Come on.
Oh.
There we go, bro.
Why does it show 100 above the hole?
Oh.
Don't overcook. Oh, he got it.
Dude, I didn't know it was a jetpack at first. I was confused.
Neither did I. I thought it would boost me up automatically. Nico got 7. Hey, yo. Okay, we got bombs on this one. Wait, watch this.
Hawk toy.
Oh, was that smart? I don't know if what I did was considered cool or not. Oh! I popped out and I'm out of the map. Let me try this again. Yeah.
Yes, it too.
I got it in 3 on that one. I missed my first one.
Are you serious?
I swear Shady always lands outside the hole. And Zoe. Okay, Martin.
All right, it's gonna take a while to redeem myself.
Yeah, but you can still catch up. We got a lot of courses to go. Hole 5.
Yeah.
Oh! Yo, I just got launched somewhere else. Where am I? I'm just gonna go straight. Anything over there? Anything I should be worried about? Wait, free cam.
Oh, hill. You gotta get up the hill, right?
Oh, yes, you do. Okay, so I gotta hit this and make it up. Oh, I missed it. Yo, I'm low-key buns, but give me 1 second. Yeah. Oh, wait, there's a fan. It pushes you this way.
I did full power up it.
Oh, I see. Oh, no!
Let me through. Yeah!
No! Zoe, don't leave me behind!
Bye-bye.
I'm cooked, guys. I'm actually cooked.
What do you mean you're cooked?
It has him in such a weird angle.
Oh my gosh, no way.
He's good.
Wait.
Go!
That's some buns.
I don't even want to talk about it.
Dude, mine had me scuffing, bro.
Nico's trapped. Wait, you got this.
Oh.
Oh.
Don't worry, that always happens to me, bro.
Skibbity toilet.
This is not a good start.
That's crazy. Mia got it in 3, bruh.
For real. Oh, wait, another jetpack? The jetpack is supposed to take us all the way there.
Y'all can go.
Wait, where are we supposed to go?
I think I see it. Boom. Nah. No, I hit the wall. Oh, I'm buns. No. Okay, I'm low-key not cooking right now.
What is this?
Let me do this jetpack correctly first. There we go. Okay, I just landed outside the map. Did you guys get the jetpack first try? Am I just bad?
I got it first try.
I think I need to go slower at this. I definitely am just supposed to go way slower. There we go. Now I gotta go that way. Oh.
No way, no!
Yeah. Okay, I'm here. Hello. Wait, another jetpack?
Oh my gosh, this is horrendous.
Are you kidding me, bruh? No. Jetpack, why?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose it.
Yo, we are not cooking right now, Mia.
I'm like stuck here. Cause I'll go up.
No.
And I'll go back down.
Yo, Mia, I'm gonna be stuck behind. Help me.
We're lined.
Oh, yes. Okay, I made it.
What in the poo?
Oh, yes. Don't you slide off. Oh, wait. I don't know if this is good for me. Yeah. Let me up. Yes, jetpack. I did it. Okay, I think I see the hole.
Oh, you gotta go. You gotta go, twin.
I know, this is bad.
12 strokes. That was bad. I had 10 seconds for that.
Birdie, bruh.
Oh my Zoe, what's going on there?
I'm in the water.
What the skibbity toilet?
Their time's up. Well, 12 is better than 14, but now I'm in last.
Dude, I'm in second.
Okay, what? I gotta figure out these maps first.
Yeah, you gotta go in free cam. You kind of gotta analyze it.
I'm analyzing. Okay, learning a lot. Okay, I decided I'm gonna go this way.
Oh, I'm in a really bad spot.
Oh, I'm in a good spot right now. Yes, a great spot if you will.
No!
No, why did that have to happen?
Oh my goodness. Let me up.
Oh, too far.
Yes. Stop.
Oh, yes, I got up. Let go.
This was so difficult.
Aim it perfectly. Good.
Get up there!
This was really difficult. I went through the last lane. It was the easiest.
I love it, baby. I love it.
Oh,
I love it!
Seriously?
Oh, nah. How many strokes did I have? 5? Okay, not bad. Yo, Nico's cooking. He's actually catching up.
From last.
Oh my gosh, dude. We're on a nuke field.
I'm gonna wait for them to spawn, and now we go. Ah! Oh, gosh. Oh, my God.
Yeah, there's no secret to this one except some timing.
Oh, really? Okay, wait. The hole's all the way over there. So that means I just have to... Don't you die on me, Cash. Oh, don't land inside. Do not land inside. I'm alive. How am I alive?
Whoa. Are you serious?
He's right outside the hole.
That makes me so mad.
Please land it. Yes. Okay, I got that in 4. That's not bad.
Okay, leaderboard's close.
Free cam. Where's this hole at?
What is this?
Wait, can I get this first try? Watch me. Let me cook.
Oh my god, Daddy Bayo.
Okay. Yo, I just got launched.
I was on the other court.
What is this?
What the skibbity toilet?
Let me up there. Ow.
Come on. Oh.
How I reset. Did you actually do it?
Nice.
Okay, that holy bomb from doors keeps killing me. Come on, let me up. Dude, I am buns.
Oh, yes. No.
Ah.
Get me out!
I keep getting launched. I need to stop trying to skip. Okay, let's just go up this way.
Bro, I literally had it. Oh my.
Dude, I've died so many times. And I have to wait for this bomb to kill me now.
Okay, wait.
Unless I can make it back up. I actually saved it.
I need this bomb to blow me up. Please, please blow me up. Blow me up. Please blow me up.
No, no. Please tell me the bomb's gonna blow me up.
And I landed in the same spot.
Please, bomb, blow me up, please.
Blow me up, blow me up, blow me up, blow me up, blow me up.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I have a better spot. I have a way better spot.
Okay, I'm gonna start going when the bomb gets near the bottom.
Come on, come on, come on.
So right as this bomb passes, I gotta go.
Oh, thank goodness.
Oh, don't slide off. Don't you slide off. You skibbity toilet.
Come on, 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 come on.
You skibbity toilet.
Stop, please. What is that?
That was impossible.
I was outside of the hole.
Holy moly donut shop.
Holy moly donut shop.
That was the worst hole of all time.
Yeah, I hated that. Okay, wait. This one's slight work, though, I think. I'm gonna use the box to my advantage. Boom.
Yo.
Okay, now I just gotta go around. Can I do a little boom? Oh, wait. I got an eagle. I can't believe I just hit that.
No way.
I actually got so lucky. Wait, you got it? Wait.
Birdie. I got a birdie, bro.
Yes.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Come on, ball. There we go.
I was just going as far as I could. Oh, nah, Zoe.
Zoe, you gotta take it slow, bruh.
Okay.
Yes, 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 yes.
Nah. Zoe, take it slow.
You need to take it slow. Slow strokes.
Oh,
Slow it down. Lower your tone.
I'm lowering it.
You keep hitting it way too hard.
There you go.
That may just be what you need.
Oh.
That may just be what I need to base.
I got it in 2 on that one. Wait, should I even go yet? You know, I'm just gonna go for it. I didn't even free cam. Do not hit that barrel. Oh my god.
Ah!
Who just exploded next to me?
Yo, my bad. My bad.
Okay, watch the bomb.
No, why did I hit the barrel?
I got this. You got this, Cash. No. Oh, Zoe got it in 4.
So you got it.
Dude, my camera is tweaking right now.
Yes.
Hello, Martin. Yeah, did it. Thank goodness. That was terrifying.
Oh, yeah, just put me right in front of the barrel.
Oh, hit the bank shot, though.
Pie.
Okay.
Whatever, bro. 7 is fine.
Yes, this means I can catch up. I got 5 on that one. Nico and Zoe got 4. Oh, we're tied, Nico.
7 is okay.
Okay, where's the hole at?
Dude, what is that? That's a sheep.
What the Martin? Can I just skip this and go across this like here? Boom. I just hit the sheep. No! Oh my god. Oh, watch it, sheep. Okay. So I gotta watch out for this guy. What just happened? Yes. What? Okay, I gotta make it up this thing now. Shoot me across. There's another sheep here. I gotta watch out for him. Dodge the sheep. Oh, you skibbity. Wait, I'm in the middle now. Oh, I'm in a good spot.
I'm in a bad spot.
No. Oh, you sheep. Okay, it's fine. He hit my corner highway. He's trying to leave. All right, move it, sheep. Thank you. Please, just make it in. Yes.
Watch out.
Watch out. Headshot.
The sheep is pounding me.
Yo, it's about to run into you, bro.
You gotta let me stop.
Oh, okay. Zoe got it in 9. Shady got it in 8.
Cash, what'd you get it in?
I got it in 7, I think.
Oh my gosh, Mia, you better hurry, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, 11 and 9. Oh, 12. Okay, Martin.
We take that.
Hey, I'm in 2nd place. What is Shady's profile picture?
Oh my gosh, I accidentally clicked. Are you serious?
Oh my goodness. How long is this? You Martin? Okay, well, I'm just gonna try and go for it. Wait, only 20? This is literally Flappy Bird. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Do not die on me now. Whoa. I just died. Are you serious, bruh? Oh my god.
Dude, this game is so rigged, bro.
What just happened?
Bro, I hit the hole and it just bounced me out.
No sheep, please. Yes. I'm right next to the hole, bruh. There we go. I did it.
Mia is just on a stroll, bro.
How did you do that?
You just have to go right through the middle.
Yeah.
But I'm not at the middle.
You gotta remember, you can't turn midair.
Yeah, Mia, you're cooked. You can't do the middle strat now.
Like this?
No, you're dead.
You're cooked. You gotta go the other way.
Oh.
You gotta die.
What is Mia's golf ball, bro? That is not center of gravity.
Yeah, what is that little ugly golf ball?
Oh, that way.
Why is it wiggling like that, bro?
I think they're the same thing.
What's going on there?
Bro's little golf ball is jigging.
Yo, Mia, how are you doing that?
Yo!
Is this the dagger?
You gotta go through there. Oh, there you go.
Oh, dude! Wait, I'm flying.
Oh, she flying up.
Mia, you were in 2nd place at one point. What happened?
Dude, it's when we have to fly. Like,
Now I'm in 2nd.
Zoe's already at 100 strokes.
leave me alone!
Oh my goodness. Wait, can I get this first try? Watch it. Boom. Aw, man.
Yo, Shady got it.
Yo, I don't think I could get this. Oh, I can. Oh, dubs. Okay, not bad.
I gotta go backwards. Ooh, calculated.
What?
Are you kidding me? Is that what we're doing?
This is what we're doing.
That's what we're doing, sweetheart.
Oh my goodness, I calculated it. Boyfriend, I'm nervous. Why are there so many pipes on this map? I don't get it. Let me up. Oh, yeah.
No, how'd y'all get that, bro?
Man, I'm goated. Boom. Let me out. Let me out. I see the hole. Let me in, please. Thank goodness. 6. Bogey.
Yes. Oh my gosh, calculated.
Oh, Shady made it.
How are you supposed to get it in one, though? Like, you know what I mean? Like, is that even possible?
No, it's not on this map. No way.
There's no way. You have to have the most pristine aim of all time.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes.
Nico made it. Zoe's turn. Oh, you Martin.
No, you got it, you got it, you got it. You're about to be...
I'm out.
She was out of strokes.
Ooh, what is this, dude?
Oh my gosh, okay.
We're supposed to go around this entire thing? Yeah, boy, ain't no way, boy. Literally, like, let me across. Okay, I'm gonna get a bogey on this. Just watch.
Where's the hole, gang?
I have no idea.
Up there, you gotta go fast. You gotta go fast. Yes, it's a jump. It's a jump.
Oh, I made it. Okay. Where do I go from here now? I gotta go up that way.
Yeah, you gotta go even faster to get up.
Very interesting. Very dangerous. And the hole's up there. Okay, so I gotta do a little skibbity jump. Do not fall into the... Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, what am I going down into right now? I see the hole.
Why don't y'all warn me? Like, come on. I warned you.
You have free cam, Mia. You can see.
No, y'all gonna be like, it's a jump. It's a jump.
I got a birdie.
Oh my gosh, I'm all the way back here.
Wait, no way. It just put me back down here.
No, it does. I'm saying.
I'm about to get slammed.
Bro. Yeah, we have to go all the way back now. This is horrendous work.
Wait, no. This toxic barrel is actually the death of me.
Dude, I want to talk about it.
Nice. Goat.
Oh, he got it. He got it.
Yo, what?
Go.
Is that it?
No, there's one more.
Bro, it was the back hole, bruh.
Oh. I went through the first one.
What?
You kidding?
Nah. Wait, mine first? I didn't see. What is this?
Oh, dude, I'm so done for.
You are?
Yeah, because I have to do this. Go up.
Oh, you have to go all the way across?
Now where do I go?
I have no idea. No, let me in. I'm here. Hello. Now you have to go all the way back there.
Go back there now.
Oh, yeah. What the Sigma toilet? It's literally Flappy Bird. I made it. Hello. Oh, we got this. We are so locked. Boom. Let me in. Easy.
What in the world? I just wasted a stroke.
Nah. Very demure.
No. No! Dude!
Okay, Zoe's making it. Zoe, you going too high up. Nah. She got to restart.
Oh.
Dude, please.
Oh, Zoe. Oh, Martin.
Let me in. Dude, I would have had that in 3. I'm so livid. I'm livid.
Oh, Nico's also failing.
Yeah, no, it's so poopy poop.
Nah, Zoe, you're off center. You're going too high up.
Whoa. Bro, you just went back to the spawn.
You got to go to the lower part of that.
Oh, wait.
Bro, you off angle, bruh.
Watch it, Zoe. Oh.
How dare they do this?
You gotta go straight, bruh.
Straighter. There you go. That might be too slow.
You need some more power, Zoe.
Yeah, you gotta go a lot faster. Fast and straight. There you go. Oh, that might have been too straight.
I don't know if that was straight, Zoe.
Oh my goodness. Oh, she had to get one last one. Okay, I can do this. This is doable. 4 strokes. Okay, where's the hole? I'm not seeing it. Do I go upper or lower? Wait a second. What, the toilet? Oh, wait, I see it. Okay, I'm gonna go upper. Oh, yeah, let me cook. Okay, I made it here. Now, I have a strategy. I will go this way. Okay, I'm cooking, I think.
Hey, Zoe!
It's over, bro.
I think I gotta, like, make it all the way across like this. Oh, this is good. Aw, what? No, guys.
Oh, okay, we're cooking, Cash. This is a good spot.
This is a good spot? Are you sure? Woo!
Let's go.
Oh, I landed right next to it.
Guys, what's going on with me?
I got 6.
Dude, I'm about to be so mad. Dude, if I run out of strokes here, like...
Do like a little over halfway. There you go. Oh.
Give me that.
Nah.
Dude. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there we go. Now I can switch to Shady. I used my jetpack on this part.
Great.
I had extra fuel.
Just get me out of here, bro.
Oh, okay. Skibbity. Do you have any jetpack fuel?
I don't.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
God.
Oh my God. You need to get out of there.
Oh, nah. It didn't even land him there. He got out of strokes. Does that put me in first?
Yes.
And the last hole is always like a freebie. It's always just 1 stroke.
Is it really?
Oh, no. It doesn't look like a freebie, actually.
Go!
Okay, how do I want to go about this?
I had the perfect run.
Wait, is that gonna explode me? No, I'm good. Oh my goodness. No, the sheep, please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me, you sheep. Yes? No! Wait. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I just landed here. I got so lucky. I'm at the finish line.
No, bro, Shady, I don't know if you just saw that.
Oh, I did it.
What is the finish line?
Bro, I can't believe I sold that, dude. Because of that last round, bro.
Oh my goodness.
Zoe, help, bro, I'm stuck.
I launched it right here, Mia. Oh, there you go. And then you gotta climb down. You gotta slowly climb down. Oh, nah.
Cook for me, cook for me.
I think you're going too off at an angle. You gotta go a little more straight. There you go. Yeah. There you go. That's what happened to me.
Yeah. Okay, I have one stroke left. I have to make it in one.
Oh.
No! What is the scam, actually? No, there's no way. There's just no way. There's no way.
Oh, you don't have any more strokes. Oh, what?
I'm never playing this with you again, Cash. Goodbye.
That is crazy. Ain't no way you won.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys. Today we're playing a game called the Kun Kun Nest. I think that's how you say it, which is basically a game about finding anomalies. But the reason this game is so special is because apparently the anomalies are really weird. I don't even know what I'm looking at here. I mean, just look at the main menu. We have a puppet that's holding a basketball on top of a giant house, and his shadow is throwing cake in the background. Oh, but is that still not weird enough for you? Look what happens when I click start game. Look, what is that loading screen? Now we start off in an elevator, and apparently this is my apartment. But I'm pretty sure we have a visitor in here. Hi. What you doing in my apartment, sir? Oh, what's this? What you watching? Huh. Okay, so it looks like this wall has the number 1 on it, and if I can make it through 8 different rooms, then I beat the game. And on the opposite wall, we have a note card that says this.
This house is home to a troublemaker named Kun Kun. It is said that he's occupied this room for 2.5 years. Kun Kun likes to play tricks on people who enter his room.
Okay, wait, so it's not my apartment. I got that wrong.
It's his apartment. When Kun Kun's face turns red, it means that Kun Kun has started hunting. At this time, he should quickly return to the elevator and leave here.
Wait, you're saying I should return to the elevator? Okay.
Kun Kun's magic power is limited. You need to correctly judge whether there are any abnormal events in this room 8 times in a row. If there is an abnormality, press the red button on the elevator. If there is no abnormality, press the green button. Events outside the room are not abnormal. Then you can break Kun Kun's blindness and escape from the chicken coop. There are no unusual events when entering the room for the first time. Please keep this room layout in mind.
Okay, I got it. So we go back to the elevator. If there's no anomalies, then we click the check mark. But if there is an anomaly, we click the X. And the note said that there's no anomalies in the apartment the first round, so we can memorize everything here and then go back in the elevator and click the check mark. So I guess we should just start studying you, huh? All right, we got a TV with a painting above it and 2 bookshelves. Kun Kun is here with his basketball, a laptop next to him, and a blue blanket beside him. There's also a rug. Looks like we have 6 different paintings, all with weird faces on them, and a mirror. Wow, I am chopped. There's also a cabinet right next to the mirror. What is that? Why does your cabinet squeak like that? Okay, so we have a cabinet with weird squeaking sounds. A coffee table with a newspaper, a plate, 2 cups, and 1 chair. Okay. Cabinet with way too many things I can remember. Another dresser with books and a shelf. Looks like this is the balcony with absolutely nothing outside. Okay. Kitchen area with, again, way too many things that I can remember right now. Looks like the kitchen island has 2 different levels to it, and I can't actually open anything on here. The fridge looks pretty cool, though, and I can't open this. Okay. Banana, bagel, beer, poop, burgers, and a pig head. I don't know how I'm gonna remember this fridge layout. And we got a chicken, apples, Kun Kun figurine, and fruits. Oh, that fridge is gonna be impossible. A desk with a laptop, a lamp, 2 figurines, a chair, and looks like this is going to be impossible to remember. Let's also remember that there's 2 lamps next to the elevator. Thank you very much. So now if I press this green button, it closes it, and then we go up to the 2nd floor, and I have to make it through 8 floors of this? Oh my god. Okay. Well, obviously I'm gonna try my best, but now the game actually begins. We're on level 2, and if something changed, I need to see it right now. Hello there, sir. Okay, yep, you're just there watching TV. Hope you enjoy that. I didn't really memorize what's on these bookshelves next to it, so if something there changed, I'm cooked. Okay, I think these paintings are all the same, and I still look chapped. What about the cabinet? Okay. Everything here looks pretty normal.
I just peed. What the heck, bro? Are you... Okay, so that was an anomaly, right? We click X. My God. Dude. Bro, I literally just started the recording. What in the world is going on? Okay, but we should be on level 3 now, right? Really? That was clearly an Oh my God. Oh. The note I read in the beginning said that no outside anomalies count. That was an outside anomaly. God, I feel so... How am I supposed to remember that the first time you do it to me?
Okay, well, now you guys can see what this game is gonna be like. I love it. We also need to remember this clock. Apparently, it should always be 2:30, I believe. Wait. Why am I... Are y'all seeing that too? Why is there a shadow in my flashlight? Look, you can see it better right here. That's not normal. That's definitely an anomaly, right? I swear, if that's wrong, X. That's clearly an anomaly. Yeah, look, now it's gone. Okay, well, does that take me to level 2? Yes, it does. Thank you. All right, give me some, Okay. Kun, are you okay, buddy? What happened to you? Are you okay? Are you angry? So I think this is obviously an anomaly. Does he attack? Hi, buddy. I guess if you're not gonna talk to me, I'm gonna go back to the elevator. That's an anomaly, so X. Okay, so far so good, right? Unless I get reset again somehow. Oh my God. Now I'm just on edge. Okay, we're on level 3. What in the world is staring at me? Hello? What are you looking at? You gonna do anything or you just gonna stand up there? I didn't mean it. What is wrong with your apartment? Well, okay. That's definitely an anomaly. Let's click X on that, boy. Oh my God. And now, give it to me, level 4. Yes. All right. We're halfway through, Martins. Oh. Well, what are you pointing at? The cabinet? Is there, Okay. Wait, I didn't know he was kind of chill. I'm kind of scared though, so I'm gonna stand back here. This is Gangnam Style. Okay. Is he dangerous? Oh, wait for the beat drop. Oppa got... It doesn't even do the beat drop. All right, well, I guess we found our anomaly, right? I'm just gonna... Yeah, you keep dancing over there. Have fun, I guess. I'm gonna click the X. Yeah, you guys were right. This game is so weird. Why am I hearing a ball? Is that a basketball? Who's playing basketball over here? A chicken! Chicken, what you doing? You playing basketball, buddy? Can I interfere with your game? Sorry, buddy. Sorry. Oh. Hey, let's run up some 2s. What you think? You want to 1v1 me? Hey, you just kicked it out of the map. Oh, never mind. It's back. Okay. Well, I guess I don't really need to look around then. Okay, basketball scared me. I don't even know how. I don't know if he actually does anything else, so I think I'm just gonna go back to the elevator again. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this is kind of easy. Like that... Okay, the basketball just hit me in the face. I'm already about to be on level 7. Yo, one more level. Oh, wait, never mind. Level 6. I guess I can't count correctly. But 2 more levels and we beat it, right? I think. Okay. Looks like this one might be a little more of a hidden anomaly. Mirror looks good. Are you gonna change it all? I know you changed into an old man earlier. You look good. I remember the blue blanket and the laptop. 6 paintings. Yup. If one of those change, I'm probably not gonna realize. Cabinet. I wonder if that sound changes at all. Like, what if that's an anomaly? What if it just sounds like something else? Okay, we got the table. This weird area, okay. Countertop looks pretty much the same. I didn't memorize anything on this kitchen counter, so... Oh, what are you?
Obtained a figure.
There's figures of him that I need to find? Okay, well, I mean, if I missed it before, then I guess that's my beat. Fridge? Okay. I don't like the pig face. Wait, so is this not a figure? Huh. Looks good to me. I mean, everything here looks pretty much the same. So I'm gonna go back to the elevator. Yep, looks clean to me. I hope. Fingers crossed, right? Please take me to level 7 or 8, whichever one I was on. Excuse me, sir. Why do you have a bunch of eggs out here? Can I take them? I'm sorry. You can't get into the elevator. Oh, you can. Wait, did I just click the check? No. I just clicked the check mark. Oh my god! I was panicking! Now I'm back on level 1! And why is it so dark in here? Wait, where'd all the lights go? Your TV is off. Hey, you're watching nothing, buddy. So this is definitely an anomaly, right? I feel like I have to actually interact with whatever the anomaly is, or it won't do anything. Why do I hear footsteps? What am I seeing? What am I seeing? What is that? What? I'm seeing figures! Hello? Y'all see that too, right? I know I'm not going crazy. No. No, 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 no. Whenever demons are in that apartment, I don't want them to touch my butt. Okay. Okay. Nice and clean room, right? Let's hope that nothing happens to me while I'm just chilling like a villain. So yeah, it definitely looks like things actually start happening the further you look. Was there always 2 tomato baskets here? Or are those eggs? I think they're eggs. Like, were there always 2 eggplants here? I didn't memorize anything here, so if it changed, then I'm cooked. Fridge looks pretty much the same. Yeah, I mean, this is a clean apartment. I don't know what else. Okay, it's not a clean apartment. Okay, that's enough. What is wrong with you guys? I work so hard every day to make sure that everyone in this house is happy. What is on your mouth? I don't even want to know what that connects to. Can I go home now? Is that okay with y'all? All right. All right, that's enough. That is okay. Okay, now I know how this game is. You literally have to check every square inch of the apartment. I thought it was clean up until that point. Not all these are obvious. How have you not attacked me yet? That's what I'm confused about. You know, I feel like I can never be relaxed when I'm playing these kinds of games because something always pops up on you when you're least expecting it. No? Okay, interesting. Let me make sure I can't open any of these as well, just in case. Ooh, figurine. I got another figurine. Okay, so I can open the microwave. I need to remember that. If there's anything in there, gotta make sure to click the X in the elevator. All right, well, that was fun. I'm gonna go ahead and click the check mark because nothing was wrong. Right? What we got next? Okay, yep, number 4. Looks like we did a good thing. You look normal. Oh, no, I see the dancing dude again. Ooh. Okay, a good thing I kept searching. I found a figurine. I guess there's nothing else to look at other than the fact that there's a shadow man next to my cursor. So, X. Thank you. Ahaha. Room number 5. All right, if there's an anomaly in here, please make it obvious to me. I'm not very good at using my eyes, as you could probably tell. All right, fridge. Looks good. Looks nasty. Kitchen. It looks good. Microwave. Clear. Dude, imagine if there's an anomaly in the mirror and I have to look through this every time just to make sure. I also don't know what language this is, so if this changes at all, I am not gonna know. Okay, well, this looks completely clean to me, so I'm clicking the check mark. If you go back to 1, I'm gonna be so confused. Yes! Okay, we're back up on 6. Yeah. You're good. Ominous red light outside. That's definitely an anomaly. Where is that red light coming from? Mirror of truth. What is it? Closet of truth. Oh! Okay, really? Really, buddy? I'm clicking X this time, just so you know. Okay. I'm gonna have to change my underwear. What? What is this? A door? This is not the apartment. Why do I feel like something's behind you? What? Wait. Okay. Okay. That's loud. That's really loud. Oh my god. What is going on? What am I doing this for? What? I am so confused. So that's an anomaly, right? Like, I don't even need to look around this place. There's no way there's anything else that could possibly be tickling my butt right now, right? I'll check the fridge just in case. Yep, still looks good to me. All right, I'm going back and clicking that X, bro. That is weird. Yo, come on. Come on, game. Take me up to level 8. This should be the final level, right? Right? Yes. Okay.
Wait, isn't this the Super Mario theme? It is. I mean, it's not dangerous. It's just kind of cute. It's a kitten jockey. Aw, chickens are kind of adorable in this game. Well, I guess there's nothing else to look at then. That was the easiest anomaly of my life. Let's take this. Oh, figurine before I go. Thank you very much. Ha 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 ha. X. Let's make sure we don't click the check mark on accident. Only did that once. Ah!
I finally escaped from Kun Kun Nest.
Yes, I did.
This nest is so freaking weird.
Alright. Yeah, you guys are having a lot of fun here. I had a lot of fun as well. I hope you know that. You guys got some great dance moves, okay? I don't know why that dude's got his feet out. I like the song. I don't like how you guys attacked me earlier, but hey, we can forgive that, you know? That's okay. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna go to the Lynchy gate now if that's okay with y'all, all right? Okay, y'all have fun. Yeah, goodbye. 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 Okay, guys, so now that we've beat the game, we can do something a little easier now. As you can see, I only found 10 out of the 75 anomalies, and I'm kind of curious what those other anomalies are. So I'm going to attempt to try and find all of them. Now it's a lot easier because I'm not worried about beating the game whatsoever. I just have to look around. Like, see? First things first, clock. Easy anomaly. Thank you. We're going to go straight in and click the X. Little figurine right here. Give me that. Thank you. This apartment looks pretty clean to me. Don't think there's any anomalies in here, so should be an easy check mark. All right. And we have a kitten and a chicken. I mean, I'm not even scared of these guys, so they don't actually attack me. Is this just a continuous loop? I think it is. All right. Yeah. Wait. I just realized it said 1. So was the last room just not clean? Am I stupid? Oh, figurine. Thank you. Wait a second. Why is there a second basketball in this room? Who's playing basketball? Is there an invisible Michael Jordan in here? LeBron James. You know what's going on? Well, okay. I'm going back home. X. What? Why are there eggs? They just came out of nowhere. Can I open it? Okay. A chicken jumped in my face. How did that scare me? It didn't even make a sound. Ah! What? I'm so confused. What? Why did that dude just come out and fart on me? Do I even want to open the next one? A key? To what? Oh, a door? Okay, what about you? A dancing kun-kun. Okay. What about this one? Are you gonna kill me? Oh, yeah, you're definitely gonna kill me. Yeah, nice try getting through that doorway, buddy. Goodbye. Goodbye. Room 4. Oh, little figure. Thank you. Okay, if this apartment is not clean, then I'm genuinely confused on what the anomaly could be. It has to be like a tiny change because everything in here looks completely normal. So let's see. If this goes back to 1, I'm genuinely gonna be so confused. Maybe I just need to study a little harder. Come on. That one was clean, right? Right. Okay. I'm getting the hang of this now. All right. This one again. Yep. Stop. I always forget about that last one somehow. Okay, everything in this apartment looks clean to me. I don't think there's a single change or anomaly in here, so check marks the spot. Yes, number 7. Oh. Well, that's an easy anomaly. We got some paintings over here. Oh, all the paintings are... Oh, okay, I get it. Oh, okay, it kind of scared me. I found a figurine on accident. All right, well, if nothing's gonna happen, that's an X, and I think I'm just gonna beat the game again, as long as this one's easy. Where did you come from? Are you my lettuce? Get back in the fridge. Do you guys even do anything, or are you just there to dance and mock me? Alrighty. Well, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for the,
Wait, what? How am I on room number 9? I thought it stops at 8. Oh, wait, maybe it's because this is hard mode? That could be the reason why. Well, either way, I'm still probably gonna win again. I still have yet to find anything in this microwave. I feel like I'm saying that now and watch. Next round, I'm gonna find something in there. What? What? Okay, that's just disgusting. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be looking at. Get out my face. Really? This is what we're doing now? Okay, buddy, that's just weird. Yeah, no, nasty. Don't you come in this elevator. I'm clicking X on you, pal. Yeah, that's right. I don't know what's going on. Oh, now we're on floor 10. Awesome, Benz. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Oh my god. That is way too funny. All right, well, this is clean. Unless I'm being stupid somehow. Check mark. Uh-huh. What was that? Who dinged? Who dinged? Oh. Why is there a chicken leg in there? Can I grab it? No. X. Ain't no way this is hard mode, bro. I'm about to beat it again. What? Is there something in the fridge? What is up with you? You doing a little dance? What? Oh, you think you're slick, buddy. Every time I look away, you want to do that little dance? Well, guess what? I have a mirror that I could just look at. Go ahead. Yeah, I see you over there doing that little dance. I see you in the corner of my screen. Nice try, pal. You don't scare me. Nothing in this game scares me. Well, if that's all you got to say, then have fun doing your little dance, buddy. Goodbye. Oh, yeah. Round number 13. Okay, really? Are those gonna start attacking me if I walk forward? Who puts a stack of heads on a table like that? How does that scare me? I was really confident that that wasn't gonna scare me at all. Okay, wow. Well, you got me. You got me. I'm going back home. Thank you very much. Get this. Yeah, I'm bringing this head with me too. Yeah, come with me. Oh, never mind. It's gone. All right. Wow. You put a bunch of chickens on the ground. Okay. What happened? Why y'all freaking out? Is there something I should know about? I scared those chickens. I'm a monster. Aw, what happened to your dancing man? What? How is he doing that? Anyone else seeing this? Guess the dancing man has magic tricks now. What did I just hear? I hear a chicken. What? Oh! Okay. Looks like I don't like the chickens in this game anymore. They scare me. You know, it's kind of weird. Some things just seem completely normal until you actually, like, walk up to them. Like, you genuinely have to go through every square inch of this apartment, making sure that nothing's off. That's a check mark. Goodbye. I wonder if I stand in front of him for too long if he gets mad. Hi. You know, eye contact creates intimacy, right? All right, he's not doing anything. I should stop being weird. Where did you come from? And why did I not see you before? What if I run in his way? Oh, nothing happens? That's an easy figurine for me. Thank you. And an easy X. How did I... That seemed like it was planned. It wasn't. I did not know he was going to be behind me. Okay, so I don't think this guy attacks me. I think he's just vibing. What if I go up to him? What's up? Okay. Oh. He's gone? I wanted to dance with him. I don't know why he left me alone. I'm pretty sure that window is never open. Although I could be tweaking. Am I gonna get jump scared if I go up to it, huh? Can I predict the game, guys? Place your bets. Like the video if you think I'm gonna get jump scared. Ready? And... no, but there is a red ominous glow. I feel like I've been seeing that a lot. I don't know what that means still. I'm gonna say no anomaly. Oh, wait. I'm not supposed to click the X. Am I stupid? Oh my god, I'm stupid. Well, it doesn't matter. I already beat the game once. Where did you come from?
Oh my god, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Do it again. Do it again. You won't dare. You're too scared, aren't ya? Okay. Thanks, bro.
I didn't actually mean do it again. I peed.
You again? Okay, really, bro?
I don't even know what to say anymore. I just got farted on and he disappeared. If that was me in real life and someone farted on me, I'm throwing hands. Why did I click the check mark?
What you guys doing?
What? He just cheated. Do you guys not care? What is going on?
Okay, well, thank you guys so much for this. I love the performance. As long as y'all don't start attacking me, I'm gonna leave. Who's singing? Why am I so slow? Hey, get off my back. That's why I'm so slow. There's somebody weighing me down. And he's whispering in my ear all romantically. What if I put you in the fridge, buddy? Bet you won't like that. Oh, you're in the fridge. Oh, wait, I see his legs. Hey, yo. All right, I'm gonna go back in the elevator before you kill me.
I don't even know what you're saying in my eardrums. I've been playing this game for way too long, bro. I don't even know how to react to some of the things I'm seeing. Like, there's feet coming out of the ceiling, but it's not even weird to me anymore. Yeah. Alright, never mind. Yeah, okay, it's weird.
What the heck? That's not a basketball, sir. You are holding a head. Very interesting. Well, you have fun with that head ball. I don't know. Another figurine. Very interesting. Okay, yup. Third one? That's the third time that anomaly has happened. And I hear chickens again. What in the world is that? Do I even want to know what's going on? Well, the answer is no. I don't really want to know what's going on here. Thanks. Oh my god.
Alright, well, thanks, chicken. For some reason, I had a feeling that was gonna happen at some point. Either that or the pig head jump scaring me. Good to know that I wasn't going crazy.
Oh, what do we have going on here? A brawl? What? Why is it? They're dancing now? And it's raining inside the house. Okay. Well, I feel like I'm interrupting something. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what I'm even looking at, guys. What is going on? And there's a head in the corner again. Yeah. Didn't even scare me. Oh, well, hello there. Why are you sitting back? Your days of dancing around with a basketball every day are over? Hand over the basketball.
If you want it, then you'll have to take it.
What? What just happened? Give me that basketball, buddy. You know what's going on? I'm so confused right now. He just karate chopped somebody and then just froze.
Oh my god, I hate you. I hate you so much. Alright guys, well that was probably one of the weirdest games I've played this month. I've been playing for way too long. It's been almost 2 hours of me on this game, so I think I'm gonna end it there, but if you guys want to see a part 2, maybe leave a like. Maybe if we hit 10,000 likes, I'll try and find more anomalies. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. I'm not very happy with my water park. I mean, look at it. It's fine, but all we have is one pool, a slide, and like a couple stands. We also only have 1 star, and I want to fix that. So we're about to change this entire thing to actually be a fully functional water park. But first, I need to open it. We need to make money somehow, and I need to make improvements while people are still coming in. So let's go out there and hand out some flyers. They take $5 to print, but good thing I'm already at 654. Seagulls are leaving a mess already. Are you serious?
Why are there... Okay, I was wondering what that sound was. This has got to be the most annoying thing to happen right now. I have to clean before I can even make improvements. And we already got customers at the front. Seagulls, cut it out. That is so annoying. Okay, let me start selling some tickets. The seagulls have finally left, so I'm sorry if you slip on poop, but teen slide pass and for 8 hours. I got you. There you go. Hope you have fun. Don't slip on any poop. Let me clear through all these customers before we start cleaning up everything. We got 4 hours senior, and she wants a slide pass. Here you go. Have fun, ma'am. Sloan, I like that name. Scott, what do you need? Pass for 6 hours, senior, and slide pass. Here you go. Enjoy. Okay, I gotta get through this line as quick as possible. 6 hours, senior slide pass. Easy. Already done. There you go. Hurry it up. Don't be slipping on poop out there, guys. 4 hours, adult slide pass. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Let me make sure to not get any of these wrong or else they're going to be really angry. And this guy's... Oh, did that guy just take a poop? He has a poop emoji above his head. I'm going to ignore that. 4 hours adult. Enjoy. 6 hours senior. There you go. Have fun in there. And you're the last one. 4 hours in senior. Easy peasy. I got you. Okay, let me go clean up that poop real quick because everyone's going to start slipping if I don't. Is there any more left? Oh my goodness. Bro, these darn seagulls are the most annoying thing in the world. Okay, once I get all of these done, I should be making more money and I got to check my notifications because I'm not sure if people are waiting on stuff. Uh-oh. Give me my mop back. A guest is waiting to buy a ticket. Park is open. Okay. So in the last episode, I was not checking my phone very much, and that was a problem because it literally shows you here the problems you have with your park. So as long as I keep opening that phone, I can see what's wrong and what's not. And let me see. Is there any more poop? Oh my goodness. There's more right here. It blends in so much with my floor so I could barely see it. Oh, geez. There's a lot. Okay. Is that all the poop done? Please tell me it is. I don't want to keep mopping poop all day. Oh, we're good. We're good. Thank goodness. Now I can actually get to work on some other things. Okay, perfect. Anyone wrong? No, everyone's good. You just took a poop, buddy? I like hearing that. So if you look in the top right of my screen, if we want to get to 2 stars, I have to complete those tasks. I already did the water gun as much as I could, and now I just need to clean smelly guests with it. Now the problem is we got to wait for somebody to get all smelly, and I'm not seeing anybody with that green aura around them. Hold on. Esmeralda, you're waiting for lemonade? I got you. I hear people laugh, and I feel like somebody's in here that's not supposed to be here. Okay, you just want lemonade. I got you. Stop laughing over there. Okay, hold on. Take that. You all have wristbands, right? You better have wristbands. How did I miss this poop, bro? If I see anybody in here without a wristband, you're getting kicked out. Where are y'all at? Are y'all just laughing because you're having fun? Let me check. Let me check. Wristband, wristband. Oh, you do not have a wristband, buddy. Get out of here. Okay, we actually make a ton of money whenever we kick out these guys. Like, get out of here, bro. We don't want you here. So it's actually good that people sneak in because I could just make a ton of money. All right, let's start advertising. You want a flyer? Go on ahead. What about you? Oh, you already want a ticket. What about you? Uh-huh. You, come on in. We got another research point so we can upgrade our park even more. Sorry, accidentally pushed y'all out of the way. And we got more customers. Yes, come on in. Okay, 4 hours teen slide pass. I got you. That's all done. I'm working so fast this time. I gotta be as quick as possible. 4 hours teen slide. Oh, easy. You're the same as the last one. Welcome in, Kyrie. Let's go. Okay. 8 hours adult slide pass. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. I'm getting very quick at this. And we got 3 more. 4 hours adult slide pass. Yeah. Locked in. Boom. Hey, y'all be quiet over there. You're making too much noise. I can't think. 4 hours adult slide pass. Here you go. Take that. And now we got 8 hours adult slide pass. Locked. Easy. Everybody wants a slide pass, so y'all actually like my slide. Well, I hate it. I'm upgrading it. Let's clean this thing. Boom. That's done. This dude just breathed in my ear for some reason. Oh, is that a smelly guest? No, that's a smelly trash can. But that's a smelly guest. Hello, Martin. Yo, you gotta clean yourself up. Brother, you got green aura with flies, you nasty. All right, watch this. Yeah. Oh, God. A guest waited too long for a hot dog. Okay, I need to check my phone more. That's literally what I just said. A lemonade with ice. Okay, lemonade, ice. There you go. Take that. You're welcome, Bellany. And Baylor, what do you want? Lemonade, ice. Okay, you want everything, bro. I'm about to run out of lemons over here. Okay, there you go. Enjoy. We got somebody coming to the hot dog stand, but I see a smelly aura over there. Add both. Got you. The hot dogs are low-key a little easier. Oh, my goodness. Y'all constantly want stuff. Literally, I have no lemonade left. Oh, God. Hold on. You wait there. I'll be right back. We got people waiting for hot dogs. Okay, I'm just gonna buy more hot dogs and I'm gonna buy more lemonades. Oh God, no space in my inventory. No. All right, hot dogs, I'm leaving you here. I'm sorry. You just stay outside. Lemonades are more important right now. I feel bad. Lemonade stand needs to be restocked. Yeah, don't you worry, I'm back. Okay, lemonade with lemon. Got you. Boom, boom. You're welcome. And then you just want ketchup on your hot dog. There you go. Okay, that's all done. Now we need to buy... Oh, God. People are waiting to buy tickets. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. 6 hours adult. See, you guys see how hectic this game gets? You literally have to tend to a million things at once. I have smelly guests over there. All right, enjoy. Welcome in. I gotta spray you down, brother. Get over here. You all smelly. Wait, where'd the smelly guy go? Was nobody smelly over here? Was it just the trash? Of course it was. Someone's panicking on the diving board right now? Yo, this is way too hectic. How am I supposed to do all this at once? Yeah. Hey, buddy, I need you to get in the water, okay? 3, 2, 1, boom. Good luck. Who else? Trash bag is full. Okay, someone's waiting on a hot dog. I got you. You want both? Of course. There you go. I gotta restock the hot dog stand before I can go to anything else, so let's go. If I spray 2 more people with the water gun, I should be able to level up that task list, and we can get 1.5 stars. There you go. Hot dogs restocked. Okay, who's leaving trash all around the place? Bro, I need to hire some people. Okay, I got this. Let me just pick all it up. Of course, y'all just don't want to use the trash can, so you use the floor. Why not, guys, right? Let's leave puddles and leave trash everywhere. Okay, rusty toilet's dirty. Yo, move out of my way, Joseph. I'm trying to clean this up. I feel like you're slipping on... I was gonna say I feel like these people are slipping on purpose, but then I just slipped. That was kind of embarrassing. Okay. Oh my, the puddles are just coming out of nowhere at this point, bro. What do you mean? Hi, bro. What you want? Lemonade? All right, easy. You're an easy customer. Okay, why am I slipping? Can I stop slipping? I'm stressed out right now. Let me just get everything in order. Now what did I see? Rusty toilet's dirty? Okay, rusty toilet. That's right. It's this way. Yo, move, dude. I'm trying to clean your rusty toilet. This dude's pooping in here as I'm cleaning. That's nasty. I gotta clean this toilet too. Okay, somebody waited too long for a ticket. That's my fault. I didn't see it on the phone. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll tend to you though. 6 hours senior slide pass locked. There you go. Okay, good luck. Anybody over here? No, we're good. Anybody over here? I see you. I see you, Mr. Puddle. Get out. Oops, I think I just hit someone. My fault. We still got poop everywhere. I have no idea how that happened. I feel like the first thing I need to hire is somebody to clean all this stuff because everything's at 0%. It's all dirty. And then I definitely got to get some people to like run the ticket stand and the lemonade stand because I keep having to go over here. All right. Here you go, lemonade. Somebody's drowning. Martin. Okay, I got you. I have no space in my inventory. Hold on. Drop you. Yeah. Take that. Did I really miss that? Yeah, there you go. All right, we got more people waiting for tickets. 6 hours senior. Got you. No slide pass. I feel like I've seen you before, but welcome in. And then 4 hours and a teen. All right, no slide pass, right? Good. Why is that dude running out? Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, where you going? You just got into my pool and you didn't buy a ticket, huh? Wait. He did buy a ticket. Okay, never mind. That dude had a wristband and he ran out for some reason. Don't worry, I'm coming, I'm coming. 6 hours, teen, easy. There you go, lock in. Now what's going on here? Oh my goodness, my trash cans are filling up so much. Bro, at least these are easy to clear, but the rest is kind of annoying. Is everything good? Oh, people are slipping. Oh man, guest waited too long for hot dog. I need employees. I can't do this all myself. I'm running people over on accident. My fault. Oh gosh. You want lemonade with ice? Lemonade, ice. Wait, what? No bin in sight? What you mean no bin in sight? I don't know why she said that. Oh, we got a stinky. We got a stinker. Hey. Yes. Make a splash and some cash. Unlock the ability to earn tips and start earning them once guests leave. Okay, well, we definitely need to do that. I need some more money somehow. But we're at $1,400 and I have 3 research points. So I think I should definitely try and upgrade this place. Although, I can't do it while this place is open. While it's open, this is the most hectic thing in the world. I literally have to tend to 5 million different things. So, once this place closes, which should be in 20 minutes if I look in the top left, then we'll be fine, right? Oh god, I gotta repair this. I gotta repair everything. Oh, I'm so sorry. You walked in my way. I didn't mean to hit you. I was not paying attention. All right, I gotta be careful. Is there any stinky people that I can wash with my water gun? Okay, that's fine. I'll just keep repairing then. I'd rather just focus on repairs and cleaning and then have employees do the rest. I'm not trying to sell tickets. Oh, you need some help, buddy? I got you. Yeah. There you go, Seth. I like you. All right, we did it. And as you guys can see, that's how every day goes in this water park. I have to tend to too many things, and I gotta get some help. So let's close this. We made $822 today, so not bad. And now people are laughing. Wait, why y'all laughing? Oh, you don't have a ticket, buddy. Seth, where's your ticket at? Huh? You don't have a wristband? Now, since we're closed, I can start repairing every single thing in this water park, and that's very important because we get a bunch of research points for it. So let's repair every item and then clean it. Those are usually the 2 things we have to do for this water park. Repairing and then cleaning. Like, look, this is at 3%. Oh, bloody Martin. Get back up to 100, please. There we go. Oh! Why did that scare me? I got flung. Okay. Stop it. Okay, really? Brother, I need you to lock in and stop slipping on your own pool, bro. Okay, no, these are good. Those don't need to be repaired. But the chairs, they always need to be repaired. These are probably the most annoying because there's so many of them. But that's a good thing because it farms research points. So maybe I should get more chairs, honestly. There could be a strat here. Okay, that chair's done. And then this is the final one. Okay. And there we go. Is everything repaired now? I believe so. Okay, bet. Now we can start cleaning everything. The pool needs to be at 100. Diving board, you too. Get up there, buddy. Thank you. Chairs. Oh, you all need to be cleaned. There's 1. There's 2. Here's 3. We got another research point. There's 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we're at 5 research points. We can actually make so much money now. Oh gosh, I gotta clean the slides though, and probably those toilets. Okay, there we go. That one's done. Anything else need cleaning? The showers, of course. How could I forget? It's not like these showers be spreading water anyways. Okay, and there's poop hiding underneath my showers. Okay, that shower's clean, and I think everything's clean now, right? Did I miss anything? Then let's go over to our research table and let's see what we want to get. So I have 5 of these points to use. I can upgrade my visitor patience, although I don't really care about that. I think I care about getting some more money or something. So let's see. We have ticket price level 1. We already bought. Basic trash can. I might do that. We have cleanliness management. Things stay clean for longer. What's the most annoying part about running this park? I think it's selling tickets and selling hot dogs / lemonade. So can I get anything for that? Ooh, I can. Okay, we have vendor staff and cashier training. Wait, I have cashier staff right here. Can already hire someone. Hold on. Wait. So if I can hire someone to be a cashier, then all I need to do is buy the basic trash bins, then park size level 1. And can we move on now to vendor staff? Oh, wait. Why can I not move on to vendor staff? Do I need to expand my park? Is that why? I want to hire a cashier, bro. Call building company. Oh, wait, what? What can the building company do? Is this just the... Wait, hold on. I'm confused. I'm not really sure what it gave me, but I can get another pool and another diving board if I want. These ones are actually cleaner than the ones I have right now, and they'll upgrade me a little more. So you know what? Let's get a little skibbity, yeah, let's get one of these. I like that. All right, guys, we're adding in our second pool, finally. I know y'all were probably yelling at me. Okay, do I have any space for this thing, bro? Oh my god, I don't have any space. I literally can't put it anywhere. Bro, these bushes, bro. Okay, whatever. I'll add it in a second. I just need to move this guy first. You need to go back a little bit. Okay, what if I put you in the corner? Or honestly, what if I just move my chairs? I honestly think the chairs can like go in the corner over here. We can stack them a lot easier if we do it like this. And this time I'm putting them as close together as humanly possible. This is how you expand, guys. You need to use all the space you physically can. So there we go. All the chairs should now be in the corner. And now I can move this pool to be over here. I love it. The slide can be right here. Or actually on this side. Boom. Perfect. And now the diving board. You will go right there. Okay, now everything's a lot more organized. I can move these trash cans so we don't need them anymore. I think I'm just gonna keep them all by the entrance. So we'll place one right there. That looks a little funky, but who cares? One here and one here. Now look at that. We got a line of trash cans right there. And this is a lot more open so we can fit another slide. Or I meant another pool. Here, it'll go, wait, I don't know if I want this one. I want the better looking one. Oh, this one's way bigger. Yo, look at this. I bet. Easy. We just got a ginormous... Hold on. I gotta go build this thing. Yo. We got a huge pool now. I gotta get a better slide and diving board for this thing. We can't just use the rusty old, like, buns ones. I gotta close this, too. There we go. Now it's filling up. Oh, I love it. Now, what kind of slide do I want for that? Oops. Slides. Oh, I still only have the rusty slide? Okay, I need to research a new one real quick. Let me see. Is there any better slide I can get for 3 research points? Please. Life ring stand? That would definitely help. Basic slides would help a lot, though. And I don't have enough research points for the rest of these. Okay, basic slides should be fine. So now if I press my build key... Yes, we can get a small spiral slide or a small quarter slide. They're both the exact same, so it's honestly just whichever one I prefer. I want the spiral one. Would it be an issue if I put it right here? No, right? I'm just gonna put it right there. I don't think people will care. Let's see how that looks. Honestly, not bad. You know what? I love it. Let's build it. Wow, how do you look? Oh, yes. People might hit the ground, though. I don't know if that's cooking. Oh, wait. How did I just now realize that? We don't have any wall here anymore. We just expanded our water park. It's literally double the size. Okay, but it's very dirty. Let me clean all this up, bro. This is so good. I'm so happy we got this much more space. I thought it was just going to be like a little bit of a thing. Like a small expansion pack. This is a large expansion pack. I love it. We need trash bags for a lot of these. And I need my hammer so I can break these down. I don't want this umbrella here or this chair. Okay, I'll get rid of that in a second. Let's remove this bush. Let's mop this dirt. I definitely need a trash bag to clean a lot more stuff. Who's laughing? I hear people laughing all the time. And we need a sledgehammer to destroy. I'll get the sledgehammer in a second. I don't have enough inventory space right now. Okay, there we go. All of that's clean. All of this. Wait, this is poop? Why does it say mop poop? This looks like graffiti. How is that? Okay, I'm not even gonna ask, you know? Remove that bush. Mop this dirt. Don't tell me I need a sledgehammer for the box. I do. Okay, really, bro? And we need a trash bag as well. Okay. So after I mop up everything and remove all the bushes and stuff, I need to get a sledgehammer and a trash bag. I feel like that's easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Sorry. I think I should be able to get this done pretty quick. Am I almost done? Oh, almost. We are cooking right now. Once I destroy all this bun stuff, we're going to expand to level 2. Oh, and I just realized I'm getting research points for this. I might actually be at 2 research points once I clean up this, right?
Oh, almost. I need a little bit more XP, game. Give it to me. You know you want to.
We're at 97 out of 100. Give me more stuff to mop. Where's that? Oh, what just... Okay, that was the tires. Okay, so it's like Fortnite. Got it. Cool. I can't get rid of these bushes in the pool. What in the Martin? Let me hop on this thing though.
Yeah.
And now I just need to grab my sledgehammer. Ah, there you are. My perfect little sledgehammer. It's time to start breaking.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're farming easy research points now, bro. Can I spray a water gun at the poop? Nope. Okay, it was worth a try anyways. Let me grab my trash bags. Thank you. Now I can start picking up a ton of stuff. All the little bits and pieces. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I think that's most of the trash. Oh wait, we're already full.
Kobe. Yeah.
Give me another trash bag. There's so many more little pieces around here.
Why are people so dirty all the time? Kobe. Yeah.
And now I just need one more trash bag because I believe there's more around here. Give me that, and... Is that it? Oh my goodness gracious, why? Whatever. Maybe I can at least destroy the stuff now. Yes. Get out of my pool. What just happened? Did I destroy my own pool? I didn't even know that's what I was doing. That was an accident. Okay. Well, let's just mop up the rest of this then. And now I believe once I sledgehammer the rest of these things around me, we should be pretty much done. I think people are gonna love this. My water park's gonna be the most popular one in town. Or at least I hope. I probably shouldn't get too confident, to be honest. All right, Slide, you're getting out of here. You're gonna get replaced with something way better. Same with you, Mr. Chair. Same with you, shopping cart. I don't know who brings a shopping cart to a pool, but you know what? I won't judge. I can finally get rid of my umbrellas. Thank you. And here we go. This should be the rest of the buildings around. This shopping cart looks perfectly good. I could have used that for something else. Also, these tires are fun. I feel like I could have used them to jump into a pool, but they're dirty, so I have to remove them. Wait, am I removing this tree right now? I kind of want the tree, though. Aw, I guess I have to clear the entire place before I can start building. Well, I thought the trees were a nice touch, okay? God forbid a man has a little bit of nature in his life. Oh, this is looking so much better. Okay, let's get rid of this tree now, and we're done.
Yes, Martin. Oh, what did I just do?
Well, anyways, now that we've expanded, can I move my stuff back a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
All right, I want the toilets to be over here now. You go there, and then this one will go right there. Perfect. Showers, you can also move to this side. I like this spot for you a lot better. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And then I guess we could just move the chairs, right? I feel like we should keep one side to the pools and one side to the chairs and like stands and stuff. So you know what? This pool, I'm gonna move you, buddy. You're gonna go right there. And then this pool over here is gonna go on this side. Oh, I love that. Now we got like a little walkway and stuff. Or you know what? Maybe it should go right here. The reason I'm like placing it like this is because it shows you what you kind of need to take care of. So that is gonna need some repairs. The showers will and the person will. So I'm just trying to keep the stuff that needs repairing on like an easy to access side, if that makes sense. Oh yeah, I can't forget about the diving boards too. Okay, this diving board will go on the same side as this because it needs repairs. Okay, this side will go right here, and then this one, come on, there we go. This one will go right here. I don't think that should cause any conflictions. I hope. And wait, is that me? Oh, that's me down there. Look at that. Hello. I kind of want to keep the chairs in the middle. I kind of like them being here, so they're going to stay for now.
Yes, yes. I love this layout. It's so much better. I don't know why there's a water gun on the floor, though. Let me fix that real quick.
I have 500 more bucks and 2 more research points, so if I want to use those before I start tomorrow, I can. Ooh, a life ring stand would be good, or tips. What do I actually want? I want someone to work for me. That's what I want. How do I hire somebody? Let me check. Anybody open for hire by any chance? Hello? Who are you? Andrew? You want to come to my park tomorrow? Nope. Okay. Okay, you know what? For now, we'll just unlock tips so we make more money. Thirsty guests equals easy money. Sometimes guests get thirsty fast, and nothing hits the spot like a good cold cup of lemonade. Set up a lemonade stand and I already did this. Why are you telling me that, game? I'm getting tips. Don't worry about me. Okay, I need to get that life ring stand, though. But we got pretty much everything else done with, right? Well, then I guess I just won't worry about my staff for now, and I'll start the next day, because we did make a lot of improvements already. I guess let's just lock in, unless I can somehow hire somebody real quick. Nope. Nope. What is that? I don't know. Oh, wait. Guys, look. You just have to open your phone. I'm stupid, okay? Let me hire, I need to hire somebody as a ticket agent. Why are some of these guys expensive? Oh, it's because they have different efficiency. Okay, well, I've always believed in you pay for what you get. So I feel like we should, is there anyone with the quickest movement speed? I don't know. Recovery time? Wait, I think I should just go for the more expensive one, right? This guy has buns recovery time. I think I'll just go, I'll just go for the, oh, this is tough. Let's go for Tyson. He's the best one on the list, okay? What about the bank? Mini loan, a humble sum for a humble needs. Oh, so I can get a loan of $1,000 to spend. I don't need that right now, so maybe I'll wait. And then we can get ads and management. Oh. Okay, well, we'll do that soon. The visitor needs for the toilet and the trash are up the most. So I'll worry about that later. Hello, Tyson. Ah, yes. Okay, perfect. Now I have him working for me. That's 1 out of the 2 workers I need. Now I just need somebody to keep the place clean. And then we're chilling. Or somebody to run the stands. Because that part gets annoying, having to restock it and everything. But anyways, let's start advertising our place. Now I don't have to worry about actually giving them tickets. That was probably the most annoying part of doing this whole thing. Oh, God. I only had 1 flyer. Wait, hold on. Excuse me. I need to... Oh, sorry. Excuse me. I need to print more flyers. I'm sorry, okay? I know we have people coming in already, but I gotta sell 10 lemonades to get my 2nd star. All right, let's go. You want one? No, you're already good. Anybody need advertisement? You? Nope, you're already coming. You, come on in. Let's go. I need to get as many people in here as possible. We're trying to make the most money for some upgrades. You know what I mean? You guys come on in too. Let's go. All right, I gotta start working. I have 1 more flyer to give out. I don't even care. What do we got? Well, someone's waiting for a hot dog. Okay. I'm just gonna deal with those ones first. So you want mustard? There you go. There's your mustard. Anybody else? Nope, we're good. Oh, we got a stinky. Hold on. Where's the water gun at? I need to pick up all my stuff again. Hammer? Oh, no. I already have a hammer. Trash bag. Yeah, sure. Sorry, move out of my way. Okay, now we're locked. Where's the stinky at? There you are. Sorry if that was rude, but you smell like poop. Anybody else need help? No, we're good. I got another research point. That's Dubs. If we get another one, I think we can upgrade. All right, now I'm gonna just make sure everything's clean and everything's repaired, because that's what matters the most. And good thing I built it all in a pretty easy way, so I can keep it all clean. Okay, that's clean. You're clean. We're good. Oh, I love this layout so much more. I love having a big water park. We are chilling. Do I need to clear the trash? Oh, I might actually need to. Oh, yeah. There's a lot of trash in some of these. All right, trash bags, go in there. You go in there, too. Oh, wait, there was literally nothing in there. And, yeah. And, yeah. Okay. Oh, I missed. Oh, God, that was embarrassing. All right. Let me pick it up. We're fine. Tyson, you good? You need a break, buddy? I don't know how do I give you a break? Empty bag? We have enough plastic. Sorry, I didn't mean that. How do I give you a break? I don't really know. Okay, we got somebody waiting for lemonade. You want lemonade? There you go. Have fun. Oh, it feels like I could see so much clearer now. I just fixed the settings on the brightness a little bit because I felt like it was a little too high. Ever since I expanded this water park, it's just been too bright. You know what I mean? But let's make sure we... Oh, my goodness, I fell on my slide. Ugh. Okay, let me make sure I remember everything in order. So I need to sell stuff at the stands, clean, repair, and then do anything else that needs my attention. But I think those are the... Oh, yeah, also gather trash. Okay, so stands, trash, clean, repair. I just got to remember that. Why do you have a purple splotch above your head? I have no idea. Okay, we got lemonade and hot dog. We got to remember stands, trash, clean, repair. That's all I got to do. Lemonade. Okay, you want everything, huh? Well, there you go. Good luck. And then you just want mustard. There you go. Good luck. Oh, you're coming over here too? All right, fine. What you want, Nicholas? Lemonade with ice. I got you, Martin. There you go. Stands. Done. Trash. We're good. Clean. We gotta clean. And we also gotta repair. Maybe I should just keep them next to each other so I can do both at the same time. You know what I mean? Oh, wait. Tyson is too tired and going to rest? No. So I have to go work for him? Tyson, you are so lazy. Although, thank you for handling the ticket sales for me. So now I gotta worry about ticket sales. All right. Should I hire another person just so I don't have to go do that? I do not want to go back there and sell tickets now. Yeah. But I guess I have to. You taking a rest, buddy? Why are you taking a rest? Sorry. I'm sorry, Tyson. I didn't mean that. I know that was kind of messed up. Okay. I gotta start cleaning. Hold on. I need janitors, bro. I can't do this all myself. Move out of my way. Ah. How is Tyson tired? And I'm still out here doing all this work right now. I thought this was supposed to be a team effort, Tyson. Come on, bro. You could have helped me so much more. Okay, stop with the trash. Guys, seriously. I mean, for real. What am I even looking at here? Like, look at this. We got water splashing everywhere. Really, bro? Where are the chairs at? I forgot. Those chairs need to be cleaned and repaired. You having fun on the slide, Gwendolyn? I hope you're having lots of fun. I love playing on slides myself too. Okay, that's repaired and cleaned. That's repaired and cleaned. Oh, no. No, get me off the slide. I did not mean to go on you. All right, you're clean. You're clean. And then you're also repaired. Perfect. We got another research point. And we still got trash being thrown around. Stop it. Stop it with the trash. Oh, really? Y'all just want to leave your coffee and your bags here, huh? Not cool. Oh, my God. I just slipped and fell. Hold on. Let me grab this real quick. Let me throw you away. Boom.
Kobe? Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got somebody waiting for a ticket. Oops. 6 hours senior slide pass. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Take it. Yeah, that's right. I didn't lose him. Now let me check people's wristbands too. Rusty shower's broken? I thought I repaired everything. Oh god, you want lemonade? Oh god, oh god. Hold on, hold on. Hot dog. Okay. Ketchup. There you go. Seth, why are you walking up here right now? Lemonade with ice. I got you, I guess. Okay, I definitely need someone to run these stands, bro. Hi, Seth. You want lemonade with ice? I got you. Yeah, there you go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I gotta go repair. It's bad when stuff's out of order. When it's not working, people complain, and then I get bad reviews and no money. Okay, there you go. You're repaired. Kind of forgot about the showers. I'm not gonna lie, that's my fault. Maybe I should just start putting things in a line instead of spreading them out. I feel like that would be so much smarter for me. You know what? That's definitely what I'm gonna do after this. Let me just grab a trash can because I gotta pick up all of this trash off the ground. We need janitors, bro. Yeah, there we go. Okay, boom. And then clean up this puddle. Move out of my way, Stefan. Thank you. Who just dropped that cardboard? It was one of yous. I know it was one of yous. Whatever. Oh, I'm hammering. I am so sorry, but it's not my fault you walked in my way, guys. They're not going to complain about this, right? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I don't want to slip on this. I really don't want to slip on this puddle. Okay. It's getting hectic. What do I got to do? I'm trying to check. People are waiting for lemonade and waiting for tickets. Oh my God. Lemonade and tickets. Yo, I'm locked. Hold on. Don't worry, pal. All right. You want lemonade with ice. There you go. And now tickets. We gotta go get the tickets. Yo, buddy, you gotta lock in, Tyson. 4 hours adult slide pass. Boom. Locked. There you go, Baylor. Wait, what? Oh, you're not a senior. Okay, 4 hours senior slide pass. Well, that's what I was supposed to do. Yeah, Tyson, get back to work, buddy. I can't have you taking breaks 2 hours into the day. That just does not make sense. I'm sorry. So you need to be cleaned? Why does this slide look like that? It's all dirty. Okay, this pool needs to be cleaned and repaired, of course. Why does it feel emptier? People aren't leaving, are they? Okay, no. I think I just tweaking or something. All right, let's grab the rest of our stuff. Trash bag's full. Forgot about that. Boom. Any more trash around here? Oh my God, I'm tweaking. Okay. Y'all having a good rest over here, huh? Y'all doing good, huh? Okay, good. Good. I'm glad. Boom. I just threw a tiny trash bag in there. Hey, buddy, you got a wristband? Where's your wristband at? Huh? Get out of here, Elio. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. I'm not allowed to enter my water park. Okay, how we looking over here? Oh, somebody wants lemonade. I'm locked. You want lemonade with ice? We need more lemonade. Oh my God. Life gives you lemons, you get make lemonade, right? That's how the saying goes. I hear people sneaking into my park. I'm gonna get them in a second. Lemonade stand? Yeah. Okay, there we go. And then you want a hot dog. Do you have a wristband? You do. All right, there you go. Ketchup. You're welcome, sir. Now, who is it? Who's the one laughing, huh? I heard people laughing. Anybody in here without a wristband? Huh? Nope, you got a wristband. Everybody has a wristband. We're all chilling. Trey is waiting for hot dog. We already got that. All these people are being served. Good. Okay, we're back up to normal now. Thank goodness. Should I just focus on repairing and cleaning then? Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize you were in there. You were kind of standing in front of my hammer. I feel bad. If I sell 2 more lemonades, I can get to 1.5 stars. Or, I mean, at least close to 2 stars, which is my goal. So let me just make sure everything's clean. We're getting research points for free right now, which I love. We got to clean this slide. We're going to get a ton of research for this. Boom. Yes. And then you need to be repaired. Who's making sounds over here? Are you scared? Are you good, bro? You're making weird and sus sounds, dude. I need a trash bag. It's 5:30. Why does it feel like the park's closing? Where is everybody? Hello? Anybody need help? Visitors are happy? Good. You don't need to be repaired, do you? Or cleaned? Okay, good. Bro, if the stands had to be repaired or cleaned, that would be so annoying. Tyson, you need to do a better job, bro. We're getting no customers in here. Well, either way, the park's pretty much closed and everyone's leaving, so we can finally make our improvements. Yes. All right. I hope y'all had fun. Please put your trash in the trash bins and let me clean up this puddle. I hate the ragdoll mechanics in this game. Okay, we're good. Somebody said I'm injured. I can't find a trash bin. I'm bored and I've slipped. Okay, so we need to fix the injuries from people slipping. We got to get more trash bins and we got to add some more fun, I guess. It looks like the highest amount of people couldn't find the trash bin. So I just got to put more around the place. I guess putting it around, you know, just the entrance only is bad. We got to like spread it out so people can find it. I actually have a better idea. You know what? Just so people can find a trash can, I'm going to make myself a little square. Okay, it'll have every trash need for y'all, but it'll also make it easy for me to actually clear the trash. You know what I mean? So we'll put one all the way up here. Boom, boom. And the last one will go right over here. Now nobody should have any trouble finding a trash bin, you know? Because look, we got all 6 in like a little line right here. So if I just run from there to there, to there, to there, to there, to there, we're done. We got all the trash in the world. Now let me upgrade. I have 3 research points. Can I get to 4 by any chance? Is there anything left to repair? Oh wait, the chairs. No, none of the chairs need to be repaired? What you mean? Okay, they need to be cleaned at least. Can I get to 4 research points just off these chairs? I'm actually getting close. We can get to 90. Uh-oh. Give me something else to clean. Come on. Don't say it. Don't say it. Oh, wait. Yes, the showers. Oh, we can repair this slide. Oh, gosh. Clean you. We're at literally 96, bro. Please, give me something else to repair. Ah, we were so close, bro. Literally 4 research points away. Okay, it's fine. We'll just use these 3 for now. Hey, Tyson, thanks for doing great work. I want to hire a janitor. Okay, since I need my park to be cleaner, I'm going to buy cleanliness management. Things stay clean for longer. Now, that might kind of hurt if I'm trying to get research points, but I think it'll help overall. I think we're good to start the next day now, so I'm just gonna go to bed. Although I can give people flyers.
You there, you want a flyer? You want a flyer, please?
Okay, I guess we just need to go to bed then. Let's sleep, and now we can start selling some flyers. By the way, guys, somebody's literally drilling right outside my wall right now, so if you hear that, I'm sorry. I literally can't do anything about it. I don't know why they decided to start right now. But anyways, let's open up our park because there's no point in waiting anymore. I need to sell 2 more lemonades and then we can make it to the 2nd star very soon.
Hey, you want to come to my park? Let's go. Bro, this drilling right next to me is distracting me. Like, I'm hearing someone drill my wall.
Sorry. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. Let's be very efficient today, Tyson. You got it? Thank you very much. I'm going to restock the lemons and the hot dogs. I think that's definitely the last thing I need. So give me this. 25 bucks. Yes, please. And now I'm going to just restock you real quick. Boom. Lemonade. I actually don't need to restock you. Honestly, we're good. Can I hire a staff for that, please? Is there any staff I can hire? Nope, it's all just ticket agents, unfortunately. Okay, you know what? I could hire another ticket agent so that I don't have to go back. Although they're all very expensive. Yeah, you know what? Maybe another time. I think I just need 1 for now. Now, I think my strategy here is just going to be to walk around with my mop and my hammer. And I'm just going to clean and repair anything that needs it, okay? We're just going to walk around cleaning. We're going to walk around repairing so that everything stays clean. Move out of my way, sir. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I feel bad for that. I think I injured him. Oh, my fault. Anyways, let's clean the rest of this. Everything good over here. Good. Uh-huh. See, this is the strat. It highlights anything that needs to be repaired. See that? Oh, yeah. Okay, now I can make sure everything's repaired. We're good. We're good, right? Yes, we are great. All these chairs are good. You're gonna need to be cleaned after she's done. And then let's check the showers. Good. All right, I think I got it down now. Oh, I didn't mean to click on the... Okay, I don't like how the slide highlights when I hover over it, bro. It's bothersome. Does anybody want lemonade? I'm ready to sell. Is anybody in here without a wristband? Do I need to push any of you over? No, you guys look good. You look good. What about you over here? Okay, yeah, you're working, Tyson. Good job. I need 2 people to buy lemonade, please, so I can level up. Come on.
Gwendolyn, you look like you want some lemonade.
Oh, I just got a tip. Thank you, Gwendolyn. I'm sorry if I hurt you. Did we get any bad reviews? Nope. Okay, good. Anything needs repairing or cleaning? Nope, not yet. All right, well, we're looking good so far. I think I'm running it pretty well. No repairs, right? Look at this. I'm swapping between my mop and my hammer to see if anything highlights. Yo, this is the strat. I became a tryhard at this game. Oh, gosh. Okay, we got to start picking up trash. How are you not finding the trash cans? I placed them literally everywhere. It was 2 feet away from you, bro. If I start getting complaints about people not finding trash cans, I'm genuinely going to trip because there's no way. How did I even hit you with that mop? Huh? That wasn't even me. I think you got the wrong guy. Why does nobody want lemonade, guys? I need to sell 2 of them. Come on. Don't make this hard on me. Do y'all have wristbands? You do. Oh, gosh. Oh, you just slipped on nothing. That was not there before I turned it. How am I slipping? I wasn't even stepping on you. Tyson is too tired and is going to rest. Bro, at a time like this... Okay, fine. I'm gonna hire another person to take care of that soon. We have a research point. Is there something I should go unlock real quick? Let's check. Basic showers, bigger trash bags. Let's do basic showers. Why not? Okay, now I can keep people cleaner. So, basic shower. Here you are. Okay, perfect. Yes, let's definitely get a basic shower. And that's gotta go next to the other showers. Should I put another one down? It's 80 bucks. Yeah, you know what? We have 80 bucks to spare. It honestly might be smarter to put them in like a circle, if that makes sense. So maybe we'll do that in a second. And basic rectangle pool filters are dirty. All right, hold on. Let me go deal with that. I'll clean you out. Don't worry. Got you. And let me repair you as well. Why not? All right. Why is there algae growing in the pool? Oh, gross. We gotta drain it. Nope, that's disgusting. Somebody left their bacteria in the pool. I had to refill it. I'm so sorry. Oh, we got a stinker. At least y'all are using the trash. Boom. Okay, dude, that's done. We gotta go now. We don't got Tyson working, so I gotta make sure anybody who needs a ticket gets a ticket. All of these chairs good? Okay, good. Did I miss anything? No. Aw, girl, you're leaving. Stop it. You're leaving water everywhere. How do I stop the wet people from dripping all across the place? That sounded wrong. Oh, wait. Yeah, my basic showers. I completely forgot about you guys. We got new presents here. All right, you guys want to be clean? Come use these. Go right ahead. Oh, we need another ticket. Oh, gosh. We got more sales. Come on. Oh, I don't know what just happened to my character, bro. What you want? 6 hours teen slide pass. Locked. Easy peasy. Oh, now you come back, Tyson. Thank you. Oh, are you coming for lemonade? Did I just knock over a lemonade buyer? Why is somebody asleep on the ground? Yo, wake up. Hey, what are you doing here? You better get up. Can't be slipping. I'm gonna get sued. Brother, why are we getting no lemonade sales right now? Is it too far away? Is that why? Oh, we got a stinker. Well, Kobe. Yeah. There we go. I have another research point, but I don't think I could buy anything just yet. Pretty sure all this stuff costs. Yeah. Okay. We're not going to buy that just yet then. I'll just make sure that the showers are repaired and everything. And clean as well. There we go. There we go. You need to be cleaned and repaired. There we go. Oh, you need to be clean and repaired too. We need some better stuff. I feel like the rusties are just not good. I can't keep buying lower level stuffs. You know what I mean? It gets dirty and broken so fast. It's so hard to keep track of. Oh God. We got cardboard over there too. I see it. All right. I'll pick you up in just a second. Bro, this slide. I am so sick of this slide. I'm gonna get rid of it in just a second. I'm just about there. I swear, bro. I'm just trying to clean you. That's it. I think I just gotta click on the ladder. Oh, we got a lemonade buyer. We got a lemonade buyer. Yo, lock in. Don't you go away now. Don't you go away now. You want lemonade? No! All right. Fine. Whatever. I don't even care. I do not care whatsoever. Man, yeah, you annoy me. Whatever. I should not have taken out. Oh, God. Someone's panicking. Hold on. I got you, Gwendolyn. Oops. I just fell through the map. Okay. That's just what happens when I try and push somebody into the pool, I guess. You need help still over here? Nope. Okay, we got a lemonade buyer. I don't care. Oh, it's you again. Are you the same person from before? Lemonade with ice and lemon. I got you, gang. There you go. Okay, we just need one more lemonade. Yes. Perfect. Anything else? Nope. Okay, we're good. Nobody's panicking. Nobody's doing nothing. Man, I feel like a real businessman right now. Someone's panicking. Oh, gosh. I got you, Noah. I got you. Have fun. Man, I'm just about ready to get rid of all this rusty stuff. It is so annoying to repair. Like, come on. How do y'all make these so dirty? Why would you even want to lay on this? I'm so sorry. Anybody want to play splishy splashies with me? Huh? Seth, you like that? Please don't do that. I'm gonna keep doing it. Ah, you having fun? You having fun over there? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm done. No more water gun then. Oh gosh, basic rectangle pool is dirty. Oi, skibidi. Wait, what you mean? What you mean? Is this the one? Which one's the basic rectangle again? I hope I fixed it. Is the water itself dirty, or I think it was just the pool? All right, let's take all of the trash and throw it in the trash bin. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Perfect. Oh, you waited too long for lemonade? Wait. Lemonade with lemon. Oh, take it. Did he take it? You didn't take the lemonade. Take the lemonade, bro. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not. That was an intrusive thought. I'm so sorry. Okay, let me chill. I'll get another lemonade sale soon. We got any more trash around here to take care of? Nope. Okay, perfect. Oh, I almost just hit that lady with that trash bag. Guys, I need one more lemonade sale. I just fumbled the last two people that wanted it. Oh, we got a stinker. Brother Martin. Yeah. I'm getting good at that. People are leaving their stuff everywhere. Hold on. Give me that. Oh, we're done. I need some loungers. Decoration needs improvement. I'm injured and I can't find a trash bin. Okay, so people are still having trouble finding trash bins. I gotta fix that. We also gotta fix these loungers, which I think we should definitely replace. And I think I gotta repair anything that's rusty. I think we're past rusty stage now. It just breaks way too quickly. But at least we can get free research points right now. So let's make sure to do all that and then I'll replace it. Boom, 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 boom. Everything's clean, good. Oh yeah, look at that efficiency, that speed. I love it. Okay, and now that everything's repaired, it's time to start cooking. We got 2 research points to use. Life ring stand, I will take that. Thank you. Attraction decorations level 1, I will take that. Thank you. Maintenance, I could have definitely used some bigger trash bags, but that's fine. Who cares? I have $814 to my name. Now I already know what we basically need to fix over here. Okay. First off, I'm getting rid of these guys. Can I sell them? I want to sell these loungers. How do I do it? Oh, maybe I need to get the sledgehammer. Hold on. Sledgehammer? Is it with you? Can I destroy these guys? Oh, I can. Okay, so I can't sell them, unfortunately. I probably should not be destroying too many, so I'll just leave 4, and instead I'm gonna buy some better loungers. You guys will enjoy these ones a lot more, trust me. There we go. We're gonna put 2 of those down. Boom. And now we're gonna get rid of any shower that's not good, although I'll just keep them. Maybe we need some better trash cans. That's what we need. We'll place 4 of them like this. Don't worry, I'm cooking. I know this all looks very random right now, but trust me, it's not. I'm just placing everything that I want down. And life ring stand, we need you as well. Okay, now watch this, guys. I'm gonna reorganize basically everything here because I don't want to see any more complaints from anybody. First plan of business, we're putting a pool right there. Moving the trash cans for now. We don't need that. Second plan of business, we're moving this slide over here. Okay, am I in my own way right now? Hold on. Let me move out the way real quick. There we go. Yes, right there. Now I'm going to place the loungers right here so we have no room for puddles anymore while they're walking towards it. Okay, boom. Did I just hear a baby cry? I don't even know. You'll go right here and you'll go right here. We're gonna have one slide on this side, and then the other slide will go on this side. We got the buns one and the bougie one. You know how we do it over here.
And now it's time for the showers. Look at the method. We're gonna have something called shower stations. Y'all like that plan?
This is how it works. Basically, we just create like a little station of showers. I don't know if that makes sense. It will in just a second. Okay, boom. We have 3 like that, and then we just place the same thing on the back side.
Yes, yes. Look at this. Okay, perfect.
We have 2 on that side. It would be better if they were all the same shower, I know, but it's fine.
Now, here's the plan. We put the toilets right next to the showers. Same format. Gotta tilt them a little bit, and then do the same thing on the opposite side.
And then what's this? Oh, it's a diving board. Oops, I forgot about you. I'm just gonna place the diving boards right next to the slides. And am I missing one for this side? Where's my other diving board? Now, yes, of course, I remember we have our trash cans. Most of the people leave their trash near the loungers, so I'm gonna put 2 trash cans behind, and if I see anybody throwing trash anymore, I'm gonna be really mad. Or maybe I should just place them on the outsides of the park. You know what? Maybe that's a better plan. Okay, we'll have one there, and then one all the way over here. We gotta have like a whole row of trash cans, bro.
Yes, boom. Okay, there we go. We have a ton of trash cans, and we
also have these new ones. I want to place a new one right here, 2 on this side, and then this last one, you could just go right there. Lifeguard stand, you could just be right there. All right, now it's time to build all this. What do y'all think of my new layout? I think y'all will love it. Don't worry. I promise this is going to cook. You'll see I'm maxing out the efficiency right now. And we definitely need to build more loungers if we want more guest capacity. So maybe I should do a little bit more of that, but I only got 84 bucks. So that might have to be a job for the next day. Okay, our bathrooms are built. Anything else that I'm missing? I believe that's it. Okay, this is gonna work so well. I just flopped into my water out of excitement.
Now look at how this place is looking. I love it.
I hope this layout actually cooks, but we're gonna have to save it for the next episode. Unfortunately, I gotta end it here. If you want to watch more Water Park Simulator, click my last video or just click another video on your screen here. Doesn't really matter. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe so we can hit a mil. But I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.
Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga.
If you're confused by what I just showed you, don't worry. I just found out what this was like 5 minutes ago. This thing is apparently the Goo Goo Gaga, and it looks like it's just a distorted, like, Santa wrapper. Like, somebody just morphed it into a shape. Yeah, it's literally just this thing, which has, like, chocolate inside of it. And believe it or not, this is, like, the biggest TikTok trend going on right now. Apparently, the more you watch it, the scarier it gets.
Goo Goo Gaga. Goo Goo Gaga.
Yeah, I'm terrified. But at least nobody would go that far with this meme, right? Like, nobody would make a game or something. That would be crazy, bro. Who in the world would... Goo Goo Gaga Scary Factory. Someone made a mobile game about Goo Goo Gaga. Oh, but look, at least it gives us some context. You're just a regular security guard. That's all. Thanks. Now I totally know what's going on. And you want me to watch ads just so I can get power-ups?
I love mobile games.
Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga.
Okay. The factory exploded. Goo Goo Gagas have escaped? Close all the valves and stop the chocolate flow. So you're telling me we're in a chocolate factory and it exploded. And that's where Goo Goo Gagas came from? Okay. It looks like I have 7 valves to close here. And I have to be careful of Santa wrappers? Where are they at? What are the... Run?
Goo Goo Gaga.
What do you mean run? I lost a life. Okay, so I'm guessing I only have 3 lives. Who are you? Oh, ew. Why is that one tall?
Goo Goo Gaga.
I found a valve. Someone's chasing me. Go away. Oh.
Ha! What you gonna do now?
Yeah, I tased you. Oh my god, he's still chasing me. Oh, wait, here we go. How do I... Wait. Oh, I have to do this. Hey, why does the valve close so slowly? Yo, back off of me. Yeah, that's right, buddy. Oh, now I'm stuck. Oh, great. Oh, great. No! I don't get it. Where did my valve go? Oh, here you are.
Did somebody place a granny trap?
Okay, buddy. Let me close this valve. Of course, it takes a century to actually turn this thing. And I have to do 6 more after this, really? I guess I'll do what's needed to save the factory. My screen's all bloody. I'm not sure how well I can see right now. If I get even tickled by a Goo Goo Gaga, I'm dead. Really? Okay. Okay, and you added music? Dude, I'm not gonna watch an ad to respawn. This is like a typical mobile game.
Go ahead, come around that corner. Come around that corner. You won't. Oh, it's the big dude. Yeah, that's right. You got your little minion. Oh, I forgot about the little minions. Why are there so many? Why is there a dog here? Ah! Are you...
Goo goo gaga.
I hate you, Goo Goo Gaga.
Goo goo gaga.
Let me find the valve. Stop. Guys, please. Can I grab this fuel? Oh, I want the fuel. I don't know what it does. Why is there two big guys? And how do I get through this?
Goo goo gaga.
Ah!
Goo goo gaga.
Can you leave me alone? I'm just trying to make it to the valve, bro. Oh, God, please let me turn it. He's right there. I see your leg. Is he gonna be mad once I turn... Ah! Go away. There's another valve, but there's a big scary man. Okay. Why there have to be so many of you? Gaga Goo Coco works. Can I just turn this valve in peace without anyone coming to kill me? Please. I see you through the hole in that wall, you tall man. You're not gonna... I'm gonna save this factory. You're not gonna do anything about it. Why can't I get a real gun? All you can give me is a taser? I guess I am a security guard. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Where did you come from? Oh, my God. He's right there. He's gonna touch my... What in the heck are you? Do I just have infinite taser shots? Also, why is there bricks on the ground? Hey, buddy, take this. Yeah, what's up? Can't move now, can ya? Oh, you are gross. You don't see me. Oh, you don't... Why are you guys infesting this factory? Get away from me. Yeah, that's right. All right. Uh-oh. Oh, there's no way I'm turning that. Okay. Why? Why are you camping that valve? Dude, walk away from it. I need to turn it. He's just going back to the same spot. Oh, wait, never mind. He's gone. Aha! I'm turning the valve. You're not gonna come for me? Oh, I'm gonna beat this game, guys. I'm not letting any Goo Goo Gaga stop me from doing so. I already did this one. Ew. Stop. What? What? You should shoot from closer range? Oh my God. Hey, buddy. Hey, what's up? Yeah, that's right. Please. Okay, nobody come touch my butt. Go faster, Valve. You take a little too long, buddy. I see a little gremlin walking around, too. Yeah. Yeah, I got 4 out of 7. I'm gonna do it. Why in the heck is there a... I heard that. What in the heck are you? Oh my God. Go away, little gremlin. Mystery box? I'll take a mystery box, sure. What is the point of having this? I literally have 1 life. If I get tickled, I'm cooked. Did I get this one? Oh, yes. Please, please. Hurry up. Go, 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 go. Ah! I hear a gremlin. Oh my God, there's so many. There's so many of you. Why? Little Goo Goo Gagas, you trying to mess with me? Go away. Oh God, I gotta run. What in the heck is that? A little screw? I don't care about no screw. Dude, I'm so cooked, bro. I have 1 life and 2 more valves.
Goo goo gaga.
I hear you. Oh no. Oh no, no. Ah! Go away. I found a walkie-talkie. What does this do? Try to find the location where the radio is receiving the signal. No, I don't want to do this right now. Man, I'm dropping this thing. Get out of here. Making too much noise. What are you doing there? You just standing around? Just chilling, waiting for me to come nearby so you can touch my booty? Yeah, no thanks, bro. Why is this part of the wall... What? Is this chocolate spilling out? Ew. I don't think that's chocolate. Oh, potato chips. Why, thank you. That totally helps me find all the valves that I need to shut. Okay, the good thing is I still got my 3 lives, and we just got valve number 4, so I'm catching back up. Oh my God, wait, why is it so empty here? Oh, never mind. Can I turn this without you chasing me? You don't see me, right? Just let me do this. Okay, yep, you are very, you're very handsome. Anybody ever told you that? Yeah, totally telling the truth. Oh my God, where are the last 2 valves? Yeah, I hear you. Stop whispering! Goy! Yeah, that's right. Oh, guess who tased you? It was me. And I'm not sorry about it. Oh. Oh, I hear people. I hear people! I knew it! Go away! Oh my God. Oh my God. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stop! Go away! Please! Oh! Dude, I can't turn the valve. There's so many people there.
Stop it. You little chocolate. Oh, I hate you. Okay, are you serious? There's a 5 million of you around me all the time. I swear, if I die right now, I'm on 5 out of 7. You better... Oh my god, there's 2 of you. Why is there 2 of you? I hear you around the corner. Oh my god, I missed. Oh my god. Who am I hearing? Oh my god, that's who I'm hearing. Oh my god, there's multiple after me. Please, guys, please, we can talk about this. What was that? Oh, they placed a trap. Really? Icky Vicky. Dude, I hear them. There's multiple around this place. Are you kidding me? Dude, if I die trying to find these last 2 valves again, I'm actually gonna crash out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I missed, didn't I? Go away, go away, go away, go away. Oh my god. Thanks for the trap there, guys. Appreciate it. Ew, ew, ew. Go away, go away, go away. Dude, they're all around me. The valve's right here. Can I pull it? Oh my god, please. This is number 6 out of 7. 6, 7. Oh my god, goo goo gaga. I need one more. Come on. Why are there so many? There's so many. And why? I already did this one. Oh god. This last valve better not take me ages to find. I just want to walk this way. What is this? Is that a real gun? No, that's just another taser. I don't think I could pick it up. Yeah, come after me, buddy. Take that. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Where's the last valve? Is that it? Is that it, huh? Let's check. Oh my god, no, it's not. Oh my god, it's this one. It's this one. Please. 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 I gonna free the factory once and for all. This nasty goo goo. How'd it take me that long to beat a mobile game? That was the poopiest game I think I've ever played on this channel. So if somebody made a mobile game about Goo Goo Gaga, I guess the meme really is that big. So hold on, if the meme is really that big and somebody made a mobile game about it, there's definitely more games out there, right? About Goo Goo Gaga. I think I know exactly where to look. Oh my god. How did I know Roblox was gonna have one of these? They made a Backrooms game about Goo Goo Gaga. Why does he look like that? Find the keys to escape before it's too late. This is not my character. I guess I'm the one stupid enough to actually play a Roblox game like this. Why does this girl have a knife? You better stab me?
Survive, sad face.
Where's he at? Oh my god, that girl's dead in there. It's a corpse. She got slain by Goo Goo Gaga. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, you don't see me? You don't see me? Ew. Why does he make wet sounds when he walks? Go away. Go away. Go away. Yeah, what you gonna do about it now? Can't chase me down, you buns. Oh, he just murked a dude. Ah, see you later, loser. Ha. Man, I'm sorry, but you are buns. Oh my, just stop. You're camping me. You are literally camping me. No. Really? Revive. And you want me to spend Robux to revive? Okay. Not doing that. Dude, I spawned right in front of him the first time. I'm gonna die right off the bat. Yeah, it's distract him. That dude just... No! Now he's chasing me! Oh my god. Go away, Goo Goo Gaga. Is he faster than me? You're weird. This girl died trying to crawl into the vent. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Later. Oh my god. Hey, buddy, are you okay? Is this guy dead or alive? Oh, what's this? We got an arrow? Okay, I'll go through there. Wait, what does 12 seconds mean? Wait, why do I have a 10-second countdown? I'm in a bathroom. What happens when that counter goes to 0? Am I cooked? Can I pee first before anything happens? Game over, you failed to escape. Okay, and it just takes me back here. Really? Let's go to the next game. Oh my god, what is that thing? Ew! Yo, there is absolutely no way you want me to climb that. What are you looking at, buddy? Climb the tower before Goo Goo Gaga gets you. And there's a portal up there. Okay. Why is everyone just dying? What in the... Why are you tasing me? Yo, stop it. I'm trying to climb this tower like the rest of y'all. Leave me alone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go away. Yo, you guys stay with him. Get out of here. I'm not trying to die to Goo Goo Gaga. Oh my god, bro. Yo, go into him. Have fun. Oh!
Okay, what? What was that jump scare? I heard a man screaming. I gotta hear that again. Hey, stop trying to tase me. Get out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground. Okay. Oh, wait, I have a jetpack. Can I just go over here to dodge him? Oh, that makes sense. Guys, why don't we just use our tasers on Goo Goo Gaga, huh? Oh, wait, he's behind me now. I can actually make it up. Yo, guys, I would really stay away from him. Oh, what? Taser recharge? What do you mean taser recharge? I swear, if I'm the one that dies, oh my god. No, you're not tasing me. Let me jetpack. Oh, I'm goated. Oh, why am I falling? And I have to spend Robux to return. Okay, so I have to stay in the safe zones if he's on my booty like that. Oh my god, there's multiples. Of course there's multiples of you. Get out my face. Bro, why is he just after me? Goo Goo Gaga. I don't want to Goo Goo Gaga. I want you to leave me alone, buddy. Oh my god, are you gonna chase me all the way up this thing? How do I recharge my jetpack? Does that cost Robux too? Oh my god. Jetpack fuel? I swear, if there's a Goo Goo Gaga around this corner, oh my god. Yeah, what's up now, buddy? What's up now? Thank you. Goodbye. I see dirty tiles. Is that where the portal is? Ew, look at him down there. Goo Goo Gaga. Oh no, why is there a landmine? I'm not stepping on you. Oh no, bloody. Oh, bloody. He's chasing down a girl. Yo, cutie patootie, you gotta get out of there. That sounds weird. Guys, I'm not calling her a cutie patootie. That's literally her username. Okay, don't make this weird. I'm just gonna use this as an opportunity to make some progress. She's gonna lead him all the way up there, and I could just follow behind him. Ahaha. Oh no, why are you coming for me now? I swear, I don't want to hear your booty doody looking jump scare. Thank you. Goodbye, sir.
Gaga. Gaga.
He's on my butt. 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 Bodhi, what am I in now? Is this bathroom tile from like the 1970s? Oh, and we got holes in the ground now. I feel like I'm looking at an optical illusion. Did someone just fall? Oh my god. Go away. I have no jetpack fuel. No. Go away, Goo Goo Gaga. Dude, he's literally camping the corner. I can't even make it. Like, look, he stopped going that way. Go this way. I'm just gonna teleport to the portal, bro. 130? Oh my god. What just popped up on my screen? I'm watching an ad in Roblox now. And I died. Wow. Is that all there is to the game? There's an obby. What is this supposed to be for? Glass bridge? This girl's just waiting for me to go. Wonder if I could just cheat this. Oh, I got tased. Wow. Wow. I'm buying a recharge just so I could tase you back. Bet you don't like that, do ya? What's wrong? You can't get up? You can't get up? And this thing just gives you a boost. I don't even know what happened. What in the world are you? He's just murking people that are AFK. Are you seeing this too? Oh my god, he's on you. No, wait, am I trapped? Goo Goo Gaga, I don't want to play with you. Why are you antagonizing me like this? No, don't bring him in here. Zoe, go out there and fight him like a man. Why did I just get flashbanged? Hey, Goo Goo Gaga, I don't know. What are you doing up there? Leave those people alone. All right, this dude's just got a fish on his head. Oh, Goo Goo Gaga, looks like you're a gamer. You got Minecraft on there and everything? Is he still stuck on the... Oh my god, he's still chasing people around. Hey, buddy. Hi, Goo Goo Gaga. Alright, well, now I'm in the pool rooms with Goo Goo Gaga. Bro, this is literally just the same game, but on a different map. There's nothing to do. You just get chased by Goo Goo Gaga, and that's it. Well, that's Goo Goo Gaga, guys. I still don't even really think I understand the meme, but I don't know. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like. Also, subscribe on your way out. I'm gonna go wash my brain. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.